Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. It's Tuesday, July 14th. Sorry, guys, I couldn't be with you yesterday. I was busy dealing with what I think was food poisoning, so that wasn't fun. That would not have been a fun stream for you guys, but I'm back. Can't wait. Haven't started the week off on a good note, but it is the second day of the week, which means we have 4 days left to bank to get these funded accounts to a payout to pass those evals. You know how it is, guys. It's all about making that money, and I am ready. I'm locked in. I hope you guys are ready for a 3-hour session, of course. As per usual, we'll be joined by Nick later on. And by the way, let's put some W's in the chat for Nick for holding down the fort for the London gang yesterday. He crushed it. But guys, I hope you guys crushed it yesterday as well. I hope you guys banked. I hope even if you've traded Asia session, hope you guys banked with the mass as well. And now it's time to bank with the London gang and make that money. So right now we've had quite a move off towards those Asia lows. We'll go over it in a minute. First, I will actually say good morning to you all before I rudely get stuck into the charts. Good morning, J Rem. Good morning, Abdos. Morning, Ostime, Scott, Violets, Chad, Andrea. Good morning. Andrea, also Nick had forwarded me. Sent me one of your messages from the chat yesterday telling me to stay away from those overnight notes, and I had to overnight oats, and I laughed so hard because those damn overnight oats, guys. If Justin was here as well, he would know. Good morning, Tony Gold. Good morning, Awesome. Good morning. Who else? Good morning, Amia, Jordan, J Tree, Klein, Quacker. Good morning, Kat Young, Krista Cape Town, Magur, Chris Stevens. ACM, Kiz is here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Amazing. I see you guys are dropping those W's for Nick for yesterday. Well, I hope everyone's already for today's session. So far, I'll do an analysis as usual on NASDAQ from the top down, and then I will go over actually Friday's trade because I was meant to catch you up on that on Monday, but obviously wasn't here yesterday, so you guys will get the rundown today. So first of all, what NQ is looking like on the daily chart is very much consolidation here. So since last Wednesday, we had come down to sweep out those lows, all these stack liquidity levels here on the daily. This main point was, this was Friday, 26th of June's low. This is a daily level I was waiting to get swept. Once we swept that, now we've sort of been stuck in consolidation. So I'm expecting a move higher. But I mean, as we always say, while there is consolidation, that means that there is a bigger move coming. So there, of course, we are stuck in this sort of range at the moment. We have come down, we've gone up again, we've met these highs up here, we've then closed bearish yesterday, but now we have already swept out previous day's low candle, which that would have been a significant level to the downside. I would not expect us to drop any lower now that this week has been put in. I think these levels here at around 29,200, like these levels are safe. For me, we should be heading back to the upside, at least to take out the high of this range, just above previous day high there, which is the high from Friday. That is 30,077.75. So just above that 30,000 level is my target to the upside. Beyond that, you've got this swing high that I was mentioning last week, and then of course previous day high as those all-time highs as those ultimate targets. What is happening to my charts? As those ultimate targets to the upside. But for today, at least, that 30,000 level definitely in sight. We're currently trading at 29,606 on NQ, so we're 400 points away from that 30,000 level. Easily done. You can see here it's also these relatively equal highs here. So this high and this high we call relatively equal because they're not exact. And when we leave relatively equal highs in place, or relatively equal lows for that matter, they are very likely to get swept. And Friday's trade was the exact example of that, as I was saying all of Friday. But I'll go over that later on. Anyway, so those are the levels to the upside I'm watching. For now in the session, you can see previous day low sweep has already happened. We've already put that low in here. We've swept out previous 4-hour low as well. So to expect price to drop all the way back down to sweep out now that this swing point is put in place is not as likely. So that previous 4-hour low, 29,303.50, I wouldn't expect us to get 300 points lower now. This low is very much, in my opinion, put in. And so to be asking for the previous 4-hour low sweep to go long off this, which is also the Asia low there, is a little risky. So what I'm more looking for is potentially a sweep of previous 4-hour high, being that it is very much in almost at that level now, 29,631. So only another 20-ish points, and we're at that previous 4-hour high level. I think for the London session today, you could potentially see a nice sweep back into this price leg here that we've continuously bought up from about 29,389. So this leg here, I would expect a bit of a drop back into this. I mean, we have all these gaps that have been unfilled, so that's always a nice area of price, and also this hourly gap inside of Asia's range as well, which could be a nice take profit level as well. But I would not expect us to drop all the way back down into Asia low at all. I'm very much bullish biased, but in the session today, it's probably looking like one of those sessions where you could get a nice pullback short into this bought up range here, and then continue longs into these highs. So we will see. We will see if those shorts play out. If not, I will look for any sort of pullback and then eye up a long, I guess, out of here. But yeah, I am expecting previous 4-hour high sweep today and then a drop back into the range. We shall see. But chat, let me know if you're in any trades already. If anyone caught those longs, I had a nice buy opportunity I could have been in here. What time was this? This was 11:23 Eastern time, so a bit too early in the morning for me. But had I been awake, had I been at the charts, this reaction here was beautiful. So wait, I'll just go back a bit to this. By the way, the drillers have started, of course. Of course, the drillers have started bright and early. So apologies if you can hear that drilling going on. Good morning, everyone. By the way, I can see all your good mornings being dropped in the chat. All right, so this is just going over a trade that happened at 11:23 p.m. Eastern time, so just towards the end of my Asia kill zone time. Basically, what we've got here is a sweep of. Let's zoom in. In fact, let's take off the blue box. All right, so what we had was a sweep of previous 4-hour low aligned with a sweep of the previous 15-minute low. So that's what's happening here. This low here is the previous 15-minute low level. Once they aligned, I'm waiting for, and I'll get the hourly up as well so you can see how it aligns. That's also an previous hourly sweep with little to no top wick on that hourly. You've also got the swing point here being swept out. So there's multiple points of liquidity that have been swept. Then you have these stacked equal lows also swept on the 15 minutes. So this is looking like a clean reversal setup when the previous 4-hour low looks like this. Then you've got the 1-minute inversion, which signals that there is a strong momentum to the upside here. And inversion is that for me, that just signals that this is the time to reverse. So because of that, I'm entering along at market, and then targeting a swing. The swing was the stop was at that swing point, which is 41 points, so a bit large, but I would have just been sized accordingly to that to only risk the amount of my 10% of the account, and then targeting previous 4-hour high. And that was the cleanest long of the day, to be honest. That was a very nice play. That ended up going 196 points before Frankfurt even opened. So yeah, it did come back a little bit, would never have come back to break even, and then would have gone up to take that high. So that was the buy from just earlier on in the Asia session. Very clean, if anyone caught that with the indicator, very nice. I might just quickly go over Friday's longs as well. Friday was... speaking with Nick, I got stopped out and then I entered again. And I entered one last time. I entered with smaller size. I did go down to micros, but where are we? It was around 5 a.m. Let's see, 5 a.m. So previous 15-minute low sweep. Wait a minute. There it is. So I entered long here. So we had, yes, this candle is the one that came down to take me out. Once this candle dropped though, it was one of those manipulation. It was like an instant stop out, 1 minute candle just drop. And that just signaled to me manipulation. I was like, no, I'm not falling for this. This is still so clean. I entered the longs without hesitation. Once we got this inversion, same setup, previous 15-minute low sweep, previous 4-hour low had already been swept, as you can see this level from up here. And then I was targeting what I had told you guys was the target, the Asia high, equal highs. So let's put that back on now. So now you'll be able to see once I put, so these relatively equal highs here, so where they weren't exact, but relatively equal, like they look almost like they've made two perfect highs there. That was the target of the day for me. So once that, see that manipulation low, I was just not falling for it. The way that wick came back and wick got bought right back up, this is the trade anyway. So it chopped around before New York opened, but in the end, just as New York opened, we did get that push to the upside to take out that Asia high, relatively equal high level, and that was a play. So eventually, can't hear me? Oh, I think you guys mean, well, you guys can't hear me at all? Roman? Chat, are these people trolling? Roman, can you hear me all good? They're trolls. Okay. Oh, good. So yeah, that was the Asia high sweep that we were looking for on Friday, and that ends up playing out. So the long ended up being right around just after this sweep, around here, and then stops were about there, and it was around 177 points that long. So yes, it was one of those days like you try again, but the analysis was there, and I was just, I guess you could say convinced. I was very convinced of the longs on Friday. And for a multitude of reasons, you guys had to be there on Friday. But I was watching that level and I said, these lows have been put in, the sweeps have happened, liquidity has been swept. And then it was just about timing that long. And so I guess I took two, I would say premature longs. And then that last long after that manipulation we had, I went straight back in. Longed that and it ended up playing out. So lesson there is stick to the plan. The plan was to be in those buys, sized accordingly. So I could not, if it was going to take me out again, I wasn't going to blow anything. And then, yeah, that was it. So yes, you guys can hear me. I see that all now. How is your health now, Veeb? I'm all good. I'm all good, feeling 100%. Yes, yesterday I was a little gross. So I could not be on stream, but I'm all good. I'm back. I'm alive. So, all right. Who is here in trades? I want to know. Brody Trade says, no trades already banked 19th 200 day in main funded 5th 100. Oh, 19th $200 and over day in a main funded and 5th $150+ day in a new trade 550K funded. Let's go, Bodhi. It's all about those base hits. I love it. It's all about stacking up. If you can stack up 19 $200 days, like that's really good. Does Nick normally do London stream? Yes, Nick will be here in just over 45 minutes now. So he'll be here very soon. By the way, we've got to set a like goal for that. So I'm going to say 350 likes to bring Nick on and 400. I feel like the 400 level is way too easy for you guys. 500 likes for the first giveaway. There, done. 500 likes, first giveaway, 350 to bring Nick on. Let's do it. Come on, guys. I wasn't here yesterday, so you guys are going to have to bring those likes. And I realized yesterday was a day Nick had told me to come onto the New York stream. And now I couldn't have been there. So we can't test the like theory now. Abdul says, I like your plants and lights. Thank you. Well, the addition here is the candle. The light and the plant has been here for the last couple of weeks, but yes. I think you're highlighting that I have a new candle there. Sweep of the 4 hour. Yes, we have got, so Frankfurt has been open for the last 16 minutes, chat. We have got that previous 4 hour high sweep right now. That is currently aligning with the 15-minute high sweep. So if you see here, previous 15-minute high sweep, we're actually inside of a 15-minute bearish gap right now. Oh, we haven't quite got there. But that is something to keep an eye on. 15-minute FVG there. So we'll see if we get the reaction. Now, I realize this is wrong. Should be showing me in gray. Okay, cool. All right, so yes, new 15-minute has just opened. We've come up to sweep that high. So just waiting now for an inversion. Why would that not be? Lol. Guys, see what happens when I make my charts gray? Can't see my FVGs. There we go. Now I can see my FVG. My chart was the same color as that box. So I was like, why can't I see that? Mike places 500 with 300 people. Wow. We smash likes around here in the London session. You must be new here, Mike. We smash it. So no doubt, I know you guys will smash that like goal for sure. There goes the drill again. Yep, Brody, there goes the drill. Chuvam, God, I'm waiting for a short. What do you guys think? Honestly, I don't hate it. We do have we have an hourly gap that's currently forming, an FVG here that hasn't been tapped. We also have the hourly gap down here, back inside Asia range that has been unfilled as well. So we haven't gone down to tap back into those bullish gaps. So that is a level I'm watching. As well as that, when we have a big extension price move like this, I am expecting that pullback. So to align that, to time that properly, I use the 4 hour high sweep and align that with an intermediate time frame. That for me is the 15-minute. And when we get 2 sweeps happening and a 1-minute momentum shift like the inversion, I'm taking that short any day of the week. So we'll see. Why don't you trade New York session? I do. Most days I actually do. Friday I held that long, so that was my trade of Friday. And then yesterday I was feeling so gross, I actually didn't trade. But today I'll probably trade. What country are you trading from right now, Kenneth? I am in Greece. Base trade says Celine, they got 1.7 thousand likes in the entire NY stream today. Wait, over the 8 hours? I feel like we can get 1,000 in this stream alone. Joe says, you have to send us pictures after the construction site is over. We have to see what all this drilling was for. I hope it's like some amazing... You know what? I should take it before and after, actually. I might go out today and take the before to show you guys. So then we can appreciate the after. Because on the billboard at the front, it actually looks amazing. It's going to be this whole apartment complex and it looks really nice and brand new. And I don't know, right now it's just looking like a dump site. And I honestly, like, I don't see anything changing. Like, we hear this drilling every single day on the stream, and I go out there and nothing looks different. I seriously don't know what they're drilling. Kenneth says, do you live there or are you visiting? No, I am permanently living here now. Yep, I recently moved over here to Greece. All right, so we're now trading into that 15-minute FVG. Annihilator, NY stream got to step it up. Those are rookie numbers. For real, NY got to step it up. We don't play around in the London session. We can get those likes. In fact, let's check what we're at now, because I was not here yesterday. So I expect these likes to be, guys, 156 likes only. Damn, you guys are slow today. You had a whole hour off yesterday, so you better do the work today. We'll do the giveaways. You guys just got to do the work. Andrea says, sorry to bring it up to you. This is so casual in the Balkans. Haha, it can take up to 10 years to be done. No. No, Andrea, we're not going to have that. 10 years of this, I'll have to move. I don't think I can do 10 more days of this. 10 more years will drive me insane. Oof, season, why is that 4-hour FVG not reacting price at all? This is a 15-minute FVG. 4-hour, there is no 4-hour FVG that we're currently playing out of, but it is a 15-minute gap. So you can see here, the 15-minute gap has been tapped now. We're looking like we're gonna hold the midpoint of that gap. So I'm watching this 15-minute candle. It's got 8 more minutes. But that is looking like a nice reversal. Previous 4-hour high sweep, previous 15-minute high sweep, and then looking for the reaction on the 1 minute, but we'll see. If this just wants to keep printing, then we might be wrong, but we'll see. How long will you be streaming for today in the London session? 3 hours, Kenneth. We go 3 hours. We do the first hour, the Frankfurt Open, and then we do from 3 to 5 a.m. Eastern times for the London session, or 8 to 10. So 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. UK time. That's the whole session. All right. We are looking rather nice in this after that reaction to the 15-minute gap. Let's see. That is a strong reaction there. $23 points would be the stop. All right, let's see how this candle closes. This would form the inversion. 15-minute high has been swept. 15-minute bearish gap has been tapped into. 4-hour high sweep, Asia high sweep, all the way back down here. And then the 1 minute inversion as the entry. So let's see. Okay, just realized I'm entering that off micros. That's why it's not showing. All right, oh well. I'm only in 2 micros, annoyingly. It was meant to be in 2 minis. Okay then, well, micros it is. I might just have to size into this. If this comes back, I'm gonna add another 3. Okay, this is the trade. And then 1-to-1 is about here, 61400. So around 614 will be first taking off partials. And then if we can get tagged in for those other 3 contracts, I will take them. Let's see. Oh, for real? All right, well, right now I have a sell limit 632.50. I want to hopefully get, I don't think I'm going to get tapped into that. The white chart burns my ice lane. Okay, well, I got to do something about that then, because I got to at least change the gray. Oh, this is dropping. Oh my gosh, I didn't get tapped into those chat. That's so frustrating. So, all right, that was a W, clean W if anyone caught that real quick, but that should have been 2 minis. And then I was trying to add into it and I never got tagged into the other micros there. So anyway, little scalp there, small win with micros. I need to get the micros off here. They executed wrong. But that's all good. Now, okay, chart colors. Okay, well, I need to then change the color of this so I can see. Let's just make it like a dark gray. Okay. All right, I'll put this back to grayscale for you guys. Here we go. There's your grayscale. Hope you guys are happy. How long have you been trading? Coming up to 3 years in October. Jesse James, we will not speak of that here. But there is, yeah, some shit going on there. No comment. Tradeify's the GOAT. Hey, good morning, G for Geo. Says good morning, Celine. Sorry I'm late, boss. It's okay, I'll allow it. So what we just had here was I did enter this short. I entered it with micros, annoyingly. 2 micros instead of 2 minis makes a huge difference. So basically the idea was previous 4-hour high sweep, previous 15-minute high sweep. So this is what we're seeing now. Previous 4-hour high being swept, previous 15-minute high being swept, as well as being tapped into, which we, why can't I see that? Oh, I drew it up on that. I drew it up on here. So yeah, this is what we're looking at. It was a nice clean reaction at that previous 15-minute high. And as I was saying that, we were rejecting out of this 15-minute bearish gap. So looking like we wanted to hold up the midpoint of that gap. So that's why once we got the inversion, I was entered short. Partials off at 1-to-1 is normally how I would do this. If I was sized correctly with the 2 minis, I would have had a mini off there, break even on the rest now, and then targeting the lows of this range at least for 50 points here. So we'll see. If you guys are trading this correctly, that's how I would be trading this. If you got the right size on, that would be the trade. G for Juices, I did like the stream way before it started, if that makes up for it, lol. Okay, well, that's fair. I forgive you then, because likes are important. Chat, if you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button, because that is how we're going to do those giveaways as usual. Good morning, Peter. Omar Ahmed says, I did it already with 3 minis. Oh, hell yeah. If you guys are trading this with 3 minis, well done. If you're sized heavy in this is a clean setup. And not in hindsight. Like everything aligns when we're trading out of a gap as well. Once we get these sweeps, it's very clean. And as you can see, this is the price action I wanted to see on Friday, but we never got those clean moves. But it seems like this is going to be a clean drop now, which you would expect, because when you zoom out, whenever we have a big move like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullish 15-minute candles in a row, you got to expect some sort of pullback back into this range. Like we never leave all these gaps untapped. So I'm waiting for at least this most recent 15-minute gap to at least be pulled back into before we continue the move like this. So I'm shorting it back into the range, but I do expect the drop to at least hold up somewhere around at least the second FAG here, and then to go higher. Because high time frame is bullish and previous day high is my target there. But we'll see. How low can this go? So far, it is a clean reaction there. Iron Pigeon investing 2 minis. Damn, must be 150k evals. Mini is crazy. 2 is insane. What's your daily target, Celine? I trade 50k accounts and rotate for base hits. Only scalp minis. Yes, 150k evals would be fine with 2 minis here. In terms of fundeds, I don't have a dollar risk amount that I target. It's just having a green day. So at the moment, I'm risking, and as I always have, it's 10% of the drawdown. And you'll only ever see me trade micros normally on funded accounts, but that was just a mess of an execution there, because Tradeify still has my micros NQ chart from Friday afternoon. So did not check that upon entering that trade. But I mean, okay, we took the W. We just took a small W. Miss Goofy should have held longer on the short, damn. Well, what do you use for your profit taking? I mean, you could say that every time, and then you would watch moves go without you, and then That's how you can get in your head and say, well, I should have held it longer next time. Then next time you hold longer and then you end up losing, or you end up not making as much. So I would say, Miss Gufo, put a strategy in place for your profit taking. That's the only way you're not going to have those comments like, I should have held longer, or I shouldn't have held as long, things like that. You don't wait for pullbacks before you enter. No, Jasper, I will enter at market once we get that inversion. The inversion happened at 222 here. So 223 at the open of that candle, I just enter at market, sell market, and then I'm entered into that because I'm getting into, I want to be in that distribution, in that momentum. It is reversing from my TP by a tick. Oh, Trader Sue, I've been there multiple times. Turning that AC off because it's getting cold in here. Trader Sue, I know how that feels. Ugh, there's no worse feeling, but I mean, some would say, why not just take the TP when you're a tick away from profit? But I didn't have it in me. I got to see that profit target hit. Daily Hustle, I see you spamming in there. If you comment one more time, it's a ban. We don't do spamming around here. If you have a question, let me know. Oof Season says, love how easy your strategy is to explain. Well, I hope it's easy to understand as easy it is to explain, because I guess the way I've put this together is because I'm a very simple, that's how I like to see the charts. I don't trade with any like volume profile or EMAs, VWAPs, like any lines or anything else on my chart. It is literally just key levels, like session levels. And then most of the time it's breaker structures, market structure shifts, and like inversions. So it's a very simple price action sort of analysis. And that's the way I like to trade. It might not be for all. A lot of people in here don't trade the way I trade. And that's totally normal because people have to find what works for them. And for me, the simpler, the better. I just want to see reactions at key levels to signify that there is a reversal incoming. And for me, that would be when a high time frame aligns with an intermediate time frame, and then you have some sort of lower time frame shift. So inversion, market structure shift, break of structure, anything like that to signify that the momentum is with that direction now. Hey, Nick, hi, New Year. What indicators do you use? Bruh, go away. I can't believe he just came in here with that comment. I've been away for a day, and the first comment of the day from my co-host is that troll. I wouldn't expect anything else, Nick. Andrea, you too. Never made it. All right, I see you all now. Did Nick set you up? Is this a setup from yesterday? Did Nick tell you to come in here and ask about the indicators? Should we get a poll to see if Nick is long or short? J-Dub, I think that's a great idea. I'm going to say Nick is long. I have a feeling it's one of those days Nick has not slept and he's been in Asia buys from all the way down there. I think he's in those longs. Andre says, no, we all share the same brain cell. It seems like it. Deep down, I know Nick is in shorts. I don't know, chat. Something tells me I think he's in longs. So would you re-enter your trade if it taps your IFVG? No. Reason being, once a trade for me goes to that one-to-one level, whatever the points are, it's a break even. So I'm taking the money off the table and I'm going break even on the rest. That's just a base hit sort of system. If it runs longer and it goes to that higher target like it did on Friday, perfect, great. Bank those extra 100 and whatever points. But on most days, if it just goes that one-to-one and it comes back to reverse back to my entry, I'm taking it off break even. And I will wait for another setup. And that might not make sense to a lot of people. Like why, I know someone in here was asking the other day about that. But the break even system is basically to mitigate to allow my accounts to survive longer, because we're trading prop. So I'm not trying to take those losses. I'm trying to capture the wins, even the small wins, and just stack that up. Stack that up over time, and you have consistency and you have less of the red days. Oh yeah. All right. Yes, we do have CPI today. I forgot to mention that earlier on in the stream, but we have red folder news today. We also have, let's bring it up actually, because it's going to be a wild day, I think, in the markets. Also, I know I was away for 1 day and Trump is already back to his no good. We have CPI at 8:30. We had Fed Chairman Walsh testifies at 10 a.m. So that's going to be chaotic. So morning, the New York AM session is going to be wild to say the least. But yes, I see that there were headlines yesterday with Trump reinstating the blockade. So, I mean, choppy price action ahead of us. I thought it was all sorted. Just when you think we're going to have stable markets again, it's not the case. So annoying. Hopefully there is some sort of stability soon in that space. Do you trade SPX 500? No, I don't. Do you copy trade Celine? Yes, Jesse James, always copy trade. What card does your indicator use? What? Tradeify. Raymond, Wag, Nick. Are you talking about the car indicators? No. Wait, Roman's got my back, chat. I didn't realize, Roman, what you meant. Yes, that's great. Trump did say last week oil prices are too low, need to be higher. Trump says a lot of things. I can't keep up. That's the best way to put it. Celine Fan Club back in the chat. Celine, all your pristine orchid unfolding harmonies. It's green. Where do you get these comments from, Celine Fan Club? Like, I appreciate you, but the comments sometimes are crazy. Is this like, do you make these up, or like, where do you find these? Your fan club making me puke slightly. Don't be jealous. Leo Leprobosis. Actually, chat, while this trade is sort of just chopping around, World Cup, England made it through. Can we talk about that? Because I said I need England to make it through all the way to the finals, but now we have England has to beat Argentina, which I don't know what the chances are about that. That's going to be a tough game for England, but I was so happy we made it through. And tonight we have France, Spain. So of those two, I'm putting it out there, France. France will beat Spain and England hopefully will beat Argentina, and it will be a France-England final. I think I've been saying that for the longest time anyway. Andrea says, Norway out, me sad. Yeah, screw Norway. Screw Haaland. That guy. Flame Fan Club said, it's effect you have on me. I can't help it. No, but where do you get these, like, is this AI? How do you come up with these lines? I bet all my $40 from Phantom Wallet that England wins. Great. I would be betting that too, although I'm not as convinced. I want England to win, but whether they can actually beat Argentina. You guys think Spain will go through? Spain over France? What's your rank on FIFA Cup? I'm not in it, Rega. I'm not in the prediction markets cup. Nick, done with that Swiss shirt. Oh yeah, Switzerland is out of here. No more Switzerland, no more Norway. Norway out. Haaland's still in my heart. Andrea, none of that around here. England will also go through. Oh, so some of you think England's got a chance. Celine, if you were to choose one rival jersey to wear at gunpoint, will it be Liverpool, City, or Arsenal? That's such a hard question, but I think Arsenal. I have a soft spot for Arsenal. Definitely not City. I wouldn't be caught dead. You could have a gunpoint and I would not be putting a City shirt on. Or Liverpool really for that. So Arsenal, it has to be Arsenal. All right, well, this trade would have, if I was still in those two minis, if I had a contract running, I would have been broken even on the rest here. that's the way I would have played that. So normally at 1-to-1, as I said before, I would have left a contract run, and then that contract now would have been just stopped out for break even. So we'll see if we can get another setup here. But like I said, coming into the London session now, I do expect a bit of a pullback back into this range, but then it could be potential longs out of these gaps here. So I'm going to be watching for the longs later on in the session. But for now, the shorts are still on. There are still plenty of price to make up for since we have this huge bit of an extension there on NQ. Yes, Mario, I am a Manchester United fan. Trader Mai, can I get your customized indicator? Yes, you can. There is a link to that one in my Instagram. It's custom to the way I like to trade. It might not be for everybody, but it's the model that I use. Bashi says Spain vs Argentina. Mark my words, Celine. Spain vs Argentina final. No, I'm the complete opposite. I'm saying England, France. I don't think. Yeah, no, France is definitely going to win that game. France is too good. Football will be over soon. Then football will be over soon. Then what will everyone talk about? Even my kids have been talking about the World Cup, but lots to debate about soccer. Silly Americans, we have to be different. Not just Americans, actually. The Aussies also call it soccer, but I've been having to get used to calling it football here in Greece because that is the common all over Europe. Everyone calls it. Well, actually, apparently, Nick, in Switzerland, they call it soccer as well. But majority of Europe is calling it football, so I've got to get used to that. Hi, Slim from Korea. Hello. I want to travel to Korea. Chris Invest. Yes. This is Tradeify TV. Celine, is there a particular reason you bring a stop to break even and not bring it into profit on a run? It seems like most traders do break even, so wondering why you do it. Okay, the only time I will trail stops instead of break even is sometimes in the New York session. The way price moves with momentum, I will sometimes just bring it into profit. If it drops, like if in New York session, sometimes we get like a couple candles and we drop like 70, 100 points, whatever sometimes, I will just move stops into profit because at that point, I want to be taking something off the table because we've just had such a large drop. For example, if this short was in the New York session, I'd probably be trailing with each candle high because sometimes when we get those big, actually yesterday, I'll show you what happened yesterday. So Monday, New York session. Let's see. So when this inversion happened, this was that's 9:33. Already, we're not even going to think about the stops because it's New York session. So it's 65 points. But at this point, when price dropped heavy again, so you're getting now 90 points off that from your entry, I'm starting to at least drag into profit because then New York session can just start to dump. So just to allow for some extra profit taking in the New York session, I will trail. But most of the time, so then you're catching at least to that high. That high would have been like 100 points instead of getting stop break even on the rest. Because New York can move very differently to the rest of the sessions. So some days you will just get the dump and we continue to just candle after candle. We're just going to continue to dump. So it is good to have a trail in that case when you see price moving heavy. But in London session, it's just to protect because I just find that sometimes you don't get that full continuation move you want to see. Like you want to see the full range it sweeps one high and it goes to the opposing liquidity. That's on a clean day what you want to see, but it's not always like that in the London session. So having my stop to break even just protects that. Now, this would be a full TP if that break even wasn't there. And the reason it's there is because some days it will come up to take that high and then sweep and go lower. So it's there to protect the account. Although you can sit here and say, oh, but you've missed out on profits, it's to protect the account on most days. I'm not taking that loss there. I'm taking money off here. And if it's 2 minis and I've traded that, whatever it was, the 1-to-1 there, around 20 points, you're at least taking $400 off the table there in like a few minutes. And that is enough. You stack that over a few days. You don't need these big, 500-point moves, even 100-point moves. Like, you don't need them to be passing accounts to be getting to payouts. Like $400 stacked over a few days, stacked over a few weeks, even just consistent, smaller trades, base hits will get you there. AG Trader says, I took the full TP on that short, Celine. Let's go. I know some of you don't have that break-even system in place. We're happy to take the 19-point stop. So you guys are killing it. You guys banked around 52 points on this. One-hour FEG, ES first TP. Oh, did ES already tap that 1 hour gap? Let's have a look what ES is doing. In terms of the hourly, no. So the hourly on ES, this bullish gap here, still has not been tagged. So there still is, in my opinion, room to the downside here still. Gonna have that marked up here. That's the hourly gap. And NQ still something lower for now. But yeah, that is the clean reaction you want to see when I'm talking about these points in price, where everything lines up in terms of session liquidity, 4-hour high liquidity, previous 15-minute high liquidity, 15-minute gap, bearish gap on a higher time frame, hourly, 4-hour, 15, whichever, and then that 1-minute inversion. And that is all of those confluences stacked up is like the clean AA plus setup that I want to be in every day of the week. And it's not always going to run in my favor 100% of the time, 100 every single day of the week. But when it does, you need to be in that. G4G says, came back to check my phone and TP hit max daily secure. Let's go. Let's go, G4G. I hope you took those shorts. W's to those who took the shorts. Everyone, W's in the chat. W for that short. I executed this on micros. That's why my chart looks a bit boring, because I actually accidentally entered this with micros instead of minis here. So I took my trade off early at 1-to-1, and then I'm just watching this. But there it is. That is 52 points secured. So chat, W's to those who held, who didn't go break even, who held through this pullback, and now there it is, full TP smashed. And London session has not even opened. So, I mean, some of you now, I know some of you hitting your daily targets, so you can just have a chill rest of your day or evening, wherever you are. So that's always nice. Diamond D says, classic sweep, break and retest for the sell. I love it. I love a classic sweep. That's what we love. I did on my own evaluation, then join the stream and then see you in the same trade, so I know I was guaranteed TP. Let's go, G4Geo. Q Gang on top says, I need another one, lol. Well, we'll get another one. Chat, we have literally 2 hours still to go of this London session, so don't be forcing your second trade. There might be another trade in here. Might not be, but chances are with 2 hours to go, there is going to be another banger trade. So make sure you're not forcing anything. Aslan, can you explain a 1-minute inversion? Absolutely. A 1-minute inversion is this setup here. So basically, we call an inversion when there is a gap. In fact, I will go and replay this. So at this point in price, this dark gray box here shaded is the 1-minute FVG, the most recent. So there is one down below here. There is a gap, another one down below here, but where I'm only interested in the most recent gap. So if you look at this candle here, candle 1, 2, and 3, these 3 pink candles. As you can see, the low of this candle 3 and the high of candle 1, from that price to that price, there is a gap. So there's no wick. From this wick to that candle body, there is no trading happening in here. So I call it an inversion, not what I call it, but an inversion, an ICT concept. The inversion FVG is when we close over this gap. So as you can see, this is now turned pink. That's what the indicator does. But basically this candle prints below that, closing the gap, and has to close below it. So if it had closed back inside the gap, it's not an IFVG. It's the inversion is when it prints over, closes over, and closes that gap in. Hope that makes sense. Hope that makes sense. Otherwise, if it's just a gap, it's just an FVG. But if it's an IFVG, it means it's been inverted, means it's been closed over. How's the new place treating you, C Money? It's actually treating me good. I'm loving the new place, the new weather. What else? My dining table finally arrived. Full dining setup is now here. What else? I'm still waiting on some bits and pieces of furniture. So like the house is not fully furnished. This room, my streaming room is still not fully set up either. This is my office now as well. So I'm in the process. It's hard. I'm waiting on deliveries from all over the place. Some things have come, some things are delayed, but yeah, no, it's good. I really like my area. My area is really quiet, which is good. And there's also like, I can walk literally a minute and there's a coffee shop, a bakery. It's really good. You can walk and get my coffee. It's perfect. I love it. All right, shorts are still on here, looks like. We could get a deeper drop. Interesting. We could actually drop all the way to that hourly. The hourly NQ gap down here, eventually. But we shall see. Can you show how you got that 15-minute FVG? I just drew that one, Jasper. The 15-minute gap, this one here, that's one that's not printed by anything, if that's what you mean, how you got that. This is that. The 15-minute bearish gap. So there's a gap between candle 1 and 3 here. Unless I don't understand your question, Jasper, let me know. Market Maker Mario in the chat. Hassan, hope you feel better. Hi, Mario. I feel great. I'm back on stream, so I'm feeling 100,000%. I'm good. I don't know what bug, whatever hit me on Sunday night, but pretty much I was up till like, it was like 2 a.m. I think, and I had messaged the team. I was like, guys, I'm not going to be good for stream tomorrow because every 10 minutes I was literally in the bathroom, for real. But we made it. We're alive. And good to see you, Market Maker Mario. Let us know if you're in any trades, by the way. Do you live with your husband? What a strange question. My fiance, yes. Why do you trade on NQ on London instead of Euro, USD, GP, USD? Because we trade futures, my friend. This is a futures prop. We trade NQ during the London session because we bank. Can I ask why you chose that gap and not the one right above it to mark? That gap. Okay, this 15-minute gap and not this because I just take the most recent. So I'm watching, I'm watching to see how we react in this 15-minute gap. If we were to invert, then yeah, I would have watched definitely the one above. But because we were holding up this gap, that's all I need to see. I'm watching it play out in live, guys. So when I see we're reacting to something on NQ, I'm always trying to analyze and see what could we be reacting to. So because I notice, oh, there is a 15-minute gap above here, I'll be watching that level to see how we react. And at that time, when I was looking to get short after this 2 sweeps had aligned, we were leaving a wick behind. The body was this candle's body was closing bearish, rejecting from this gap. So there was no need to analyze gaps above and any further because I could see the reaction happening in this gap. And that's all I needed to see to confirm the inversion. And yes, absolutely, it could have started to sell off, then bought back up and wicked me out, etc. But 6 times out of 10, that's happening. That inversion, once we get that gap tap, we're getting that short. So I hope that makes sense. Now, we are only a few minutes away from being joined by Nick here. So I'm going to check the likes to see what we're at. Have we done any better? All right, amazing. We have 340 likes, which means we only need 10 more to bring Nick on. And you know what? There is almost 1,000 of you here already, which is insane. Good morning to you all. Good morning, London Gang members. We need 350 to bring Nick on. And did I said 500. 500 for the first giveaway. So make sure all of you, I mean, there's enough of you here. If you guys all go and smash the like button right now, we can do a giveaway. Like literally as soon as Nick comes on, because I only need 500 and there's almost 1,000 of you. So go and smash the like button. I already know it's going to be a killer day. We already have so many of you in here ready to trade with us, and W's to those who already caught the W on the day, but we still have 2 more hours, so don't go anywhere. The dictator is on his way. CII 374, there's gaps from 100 years ago, lol. For real, there are gaps everywhere. There are gaps from, it's just about determining which FEGs you look at, and for me, it's always the most recent. That's what I'm looking at. So on that 15-minute chart, there is gaps above it. There is continuous gaps above it. And I'm just waiting for price to show me where it's reacting to, instead of assuming, okay, well, there's 2 gaps here, I'm going to be watching this one. Instead, I like to have a more live read on price and watch what it's doing inside the gap to tell me how it's going to react in there. Instead of assuming it should react in this one, like the one above, instead of just picking, I'm just going to watch this gap now, and then we get this clean reaction here, and then I'm not in the trade because I'm watching this gap. Like, of what significance is that gap, really? Can't how many times I say gap today. But yeah, I noticed that when we were having this sell-off this week here, I was like, all right, well, to the left, we can see there is a 50-minute bearish gap. So then I marked that up because that is something I can clearly see that we're having a reaction to. Hello, Clean. Welcome back. Good morning, Juan Lagos. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, bring Nick with his short. Do we think, chat, Nick is in a short or a long? I actually we are joined by the Dictator in the back here, by the way. And I want to know what chat thinks. Romy, can we get a poll? Is Nick in a short or a long or no trade yet? Let's see how well the chat knows us. We're just about ready to bring him on, actually. It's that time. Let me check the likes. I assume we smashed the like goal with almost 1,000 of you here. Yep, 414, amazing. It's 500 for the first giveaway. And with that being said, it is time. London Gang is back together. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing, hair never moving, GP trading, the biohacking, Mewtwo catching, stay with catcher abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, Samurai sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart thrice humiliated, 91 no stop loss win rate, one spider, Deshaun, the lowly, the no sleep trader, the one and only, the Dictator.
Good morning. How we doing? Morning, London. Morning, Roman. Morning, Celine. Hope you're feeling better. How?
Yes, I'm alive. I'm feeling well now. Good. I'm feeling much better.
You ate too much tzatziki, huh?
Yeah, all those overnight oats, huh? All those damn. Someone spiked my overnight oats.
I mean, it was. Congo Man said that probably it was your fiance's mom. Does she like you?
Oh, don't even go there.
I'll actually enter a long right here. Boom, I wasn't in a trade, but here we go, longs.
Oh, nice.
Also, I changed my settings. I realized I could actually add execution labels as well. So it's even more clear. Every single time I take a trade, I show it. Every single time I exit a trade, I show it. It's always on my screen. And now you can even see the number where I exited and entered. So here you go. Hope you like that. If you do, put a big fat one in the chat. If you love Celine's solo hour, put a big fat one in the chat. If you want to win a giveaway today, put a big fat one in the chat. And if you like putting big fat ones in the chat, then put a big fat one in the chat. There we go. Just setting up a target now. You already banked on your shorts, huh?
Nice. Yeah, I did. Well, to a degree. I mean, accidentally entered this on micros. You know how it is, making those execution errors. And I said it as soon as I entered. I was like, wait.
Good old Miriam and Celine habits.
I was watching the minis chart, and I was like, where the hell is my order? And then 3 seconds later, I was like, fuck, I've entered this on micros, but it's fine. Clean setup, clean A+. We had the gap tap, we had the 4-hour, 15-minute sweep, and then the inversion. So I've already been in a short, but I was actually saying I don't expect this to dump off like this session. I probably actually look for longs next. And I'm waiting for, I'm seeing this as more of a pullback short and then longs overall.
All right.
Yes, we'll see.
All right.
And by the way,
Chamook spamming. What's the giveaway? The giveaway is that we're giving away this stream for free, and you can watch it without paying a single cent here on YouTube. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna give away free accounts. Free accounts to one lucky winner. Free
accounts, which is what I was about to say. 500, get us to 500 likes, and we'll do that first giveaway.
Yeah. Good morning, Nikuhan. What up, legend? You too have a blessed day. Good morning, Ursula.
Good morning.
Both of you, as usual.
How was Milano, Nick?
Milano was beautiful. Only downside that I did not have a pizza Hawaii. So
no. Why did you not have the pizza Hawaiian?
Yeah, they wanted to kill me. No, it was good. It was good. It was really nice. It was hot, very hot. Also, it was sad to wake up at 3 a.m. to watch a fucking
did wake up?
Rigged Switzerland match again. Fuck that.
Oh my gosh.
No, it was good. It was a good weekend. How was your weekend?
So you did wake up?
I did. Huh. So we went to bed at 11 p.m. Woke up at 3, watched the game, then went back to bed at 6 a.m. and slept until 10. So I still get kind of like 7 hours.
Oh, that's not bad.
That was good. It was good. Tom Pete 92 says, bye now, guys. Well, guess what? I'm already in a long. J. Chaflo says, Nick, now which team are you supporting? Well, I'm not a bandwagon fan, so I don't really care who wins now. I was rooting for Switzerland, and that's it. But if you make me choose, if you hold a gun to my head, then England, because I was born in the UK. So.
Woo! I need England to win. England's gonna win.
Okay, now I'm not rooting for England anymore.
That's the opposite.
You bullshitted the chat before. My God, I was listening.
What did I say?
You said even at gunpoint you wouldn't put on a Manchester City shirt. You're lying.
I wouldn't. How is that bullshit?
Celine, come on. Somebody puts a gun to your head. You wouldn't.
I would not put a Manchester City shirt on.
T-shirt. You're lying. You would rather get killed.
You don't know the fire inside me, Nick. If there was a Manchester City shirt anywhere near me,
you're gonna feel the fire of the bullet inside you because you didn't put on the shirt. That doesn't make any sense.
Oh my God. I can't believe you're here. You know what? Go to the gym or something.
I was at the gym.
Stop listening to the stream. Chat, don't we agree?
Yeah. Oh, then we have a new guy in the chat. AOT blog says, where's stop loss? I don't trade with stop loss, my friend, but welcome to Tradeify TV.
Welcome. See, these guys know. Dragon trades is even at gunpoint, I wouldn't support the bloody English. No chance. See, some people are passionate. You see, you don't get it because you're a Swiss fan. They're not as passionate.
Yeah.
Not as passionate about their football as they are about maybe cheese or some...
Hey, cheese? We know everything about cheese. Come on. Why does this keep happening? I enter trades and they go into profit. Fuck that shit. Why does it keep happening?
Clean. What an entry there. That was like literally.
Nah, this annoys the shit out of me. Fuck.
You better start entering this on minis soon, Nick. You'll be banking.
No, because then when you do that, it goes against you and then you can't work your trade. Bullshit.
What a long neck. Let's go. Cheeseballs in the chat.
Hey, what's up, Cheeseballs? What is up, my friend?
Jumped in with you on a funded. Let's go. Let's go.
I hate this.
It sucks to be a great trader and pick those levels.
No,
precisely.
I want to enter it with more micros.
Well, you never know. It could have a little bit of a drop. I mean, I don't see that happening, but
it's okay. It's okay. Whatever. Kevin, he just retracted his message. But he asked what were the blue and yellow lines. Blue one is a 120 EMA and yellow one is a 200 EMA. Naveen, Nick, is it a 1 minute chart? Well, put on a 1 minute chart on your end and compare them. And then you tell me.
Andrea, oh no, profits, oh no.
Actually though, the way I trade, the worst thing that could happen is I enter and it goes into profit immediately.
For others, that is like ideal situation. Limited drawdown.
I'm aware. And in the past, it would have been for me too, but
be grateful, Nick. Be grateful.
Now it's like the worst scenario because I can't do anything. It's like me.
Who's in this trade with Nick, chat? Everyone's saying sniper entry, but who's actually trading this with no stop loss?
Also, who took the one during New York session yesterday on that nice candle? Who took that with me? That's good. We got a entry. I had an entry. Where was it? Here. See that one?
Nice.
29.511. Oh, see, but now these entries don't get deleted. Interesting. Those are all my executions from yesterday's New York stream, and they're still here. And then sometimes I try to show them and they're not here. That's odd.
Yeah, see, TradeC is good like that. I can't get that on TradingView. It deletes.
Jay Chaflo says 500 likes down, guys. It's giveaway time. I see 499. I don't see 500.
Oh, Richie says yesterday I booked $600 with 2 micros on that candle with you. So that's crazy. Big volume.
Well done. You got it too, Ursula? Well done.
And there's a whole bunch in these longs with you right now. I can see Sis Push Trading in with 4 micros. Top Technique is in. Alan's in. Awesome is in. Hell yeah.
Hey, Nikohan as well. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go. Ursula and Nikohan, they're banking together.
Oh yeah, was anyone in the trading New York session yesterday when Trump tweeted? Because I know that would have wrecked a lot of people.
Yeah, I was in, and I just added to it at the bottom of the Trump candle. Well,
lucky.
To correct myself, not the bottom, but low.
Yeah. So what's other? That's the thing. No stop loss. You're the only one that probably survived that that Trump candle, to be honest.
Bingo, 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 bingo. All right. Oh wait, we got a receipt in the chat. Thank you.
Rios, it's not about adding labels for me. It's about them staying like over the course, like once I think it's the way TradingView works is like after 24 hours the executions are deleted off the chart. I think because I can never find old executions. Oh, some of you were actually in shorts and Trump candle actually smashed to your TP. So
that would have worked too.
They can either go, it can go either way, to be fair.
Yep. Nice, Marco Mario. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. Balanced Growth Confidence says it must help in London session that Trump isn't awake yet. No, I love when Trump tweets. It's great.
Not me. I love London session because it's less of the noise, less of the manipulation, and it's usually Although last week was a bit of a mess. It's usually the cleaner session.
Trump tweet equals more money for me. Okay, giveaway time. Chat, if you want to participate in the first giveaway of the day, then all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, you will get disqualified. If you ask me what the form is, who the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions along the lines of that, you are going to get disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you are going to get super duper mega disqualified for the rest of the day. So here is the form. Good luck, everybody else. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Oh, Selena's gone. Up, poof. Ping, ping, gone, how Trump would say. Ping, ping, gone. And she's back. Maybe a little bit back. Not really. She's frozen. Celine. Oh, now I hear Roman's guitar. Damn.
I can hear Roman, and like you're not moving. It's just really eerie. Like,
oh, she's back now.
Can you guys see me?
I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
She looks AI-ish, says Robot. Well, that's because she is AI. I must admit, I spent a lot of work, a lot of time perfecting her. She's not perfect yet, but we're getting there. So, Celine, have you played paddle since you arrived in Greece?
Absolutely. Look, I've got the app.
Playtomic?
No, not Playtomic. I've got Playtomic, but also there's this other one. They use their own app for some reason.
Oh, Tzatziki Paddle? That one?
Yeah, that one. You know that one? I Paddle Indoor Club. Proof?
Okay, okay. Do you have matches on Playtomic?
No. Anyways,
hey, did you do your push-ups? I still got to do mine, but did you do yours?
No, actually, good point.
Okay, you want to do yours first, or should I first?
Yeah, I'll do mine. Okay. 10, is it? Yeah, I'll do 10.
Eat.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11. Damn. Look at that. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, I'll do mine. Here we go.
I'm back. It's also getting hotter in this room again. It just looks so funny. Chat, find another stream that's getting you guys healthy and wealthy. All right? We're making money. We're doing push-ups. Now, when I blacked out before with the internet, did we do the giveaway?
Well, I sent the form, so
okay, nice.
They're filling it out. Ah, somebody's counting in the chat. Somebody is counting.
Oh, you did more than 10?
Of course. You did 11, so I had to do 13.
You had to beat. I knew it. I was going to then ask. My second question was, why 13?
Propstat says you have a perfect entry, Nick. Yeah, but guess what? I hate it.
How ungrateful is he, chat? Some people can't even make money today, and Nick's out here having a clean setup, clean long setup, and he's like, it's not good enough.
No. Leia, good morning. How we doing?
Morning, Leia.
I'm still a bit sad, Leia.
Oh. Do tell. What happened?
we had Vola on stream yesterday, Tim on New York stream. And Leia comes into the comments and was like, I was just looking for Vola's stream and he wasn't there. And then I come to Tradeify TV and see, oh, here he is. And I was like, why the fuck do you go to his stream first? Like, what?
Right? Larry, you're meant to be the OG. You're meant to be here and nobody else. Just you.
Yeah, but you know, she supports everybody. She shows love and support, so we got to give her that. But show love here first, okay?
Yeah. I mean, there better not be any second options in the London session, Leia.
Sunil trades unicorn. France or Spain? Oh, definitely Spain.
Ooh, definitely. Okay, because I'm saying definitely France.
No, I just don't like France, so that's why I say definitely Spain.
Yeah.
I think France is better, but Spain is cooler.
Yeah, that's true. Gosh, I can't actually read that. JH423, blah, blah, blah. You guys are great. How was I missing this channel? Well, you better not be missing it ever again. Chat, we are here every single day, 3 hours of a London session. The only session you need to be watching during the London stream, during the London session. What am I trying to say? The only London session stream you need to be watching.
Yep. London Shepherd, why is Spain cooler? Have you heard the French talk? Simple.
Le baguette. La
baguette. Annihilator, Nick, you need to go hunting with me in Alaska. We'll get you healthy and wealthy. Well, hunting in Alaska sounds cool.
Hey, good morning, Jimmy Trades. Jimmy is saying, hey, Nick, you may have discussed already, but how did you manage your trade from New York AM yesterday?
I mean, you can still see the executions on my trade see here. So in London session, I had 150 something point banger, then re-entered it at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, added more to it at 9:35 Eastern, then added more to it at 9:40 Eastern, and then added even more to it at 10:15 Eastern, which was chump candle. Then took off 2 contracts at 10:20, took off another one at 10:30, so that left me with 1. Added another one to that one at 12:35, took one off, which was this one from 10:15 at 12:40 for a small profit, like 30 points. And then ultimately ended up taking the last one for 10 points profit. So I made, I don't know, let's see, $744 overall on these accounts right
nice.
Here. On my other ones, a little bit more.
You still holding, by the way, on those others?
I am. I sure am.
Nice. Ce n'est pas possible. Ruchi, haha, Slane, is that true? Yes, Ruchi, yes.
Duri, Nick, what's your strategy? If you don't mind telling me, my strategy is buy low, sell high. Do everything that people don't do. Revenge trade, overtrade, add into losers, no stop loss, B setups, C setups, D setups. I love it all.
He's just fading every trader. J. Fleur and Q's ready to come down 29 for. You know what? I literally can't read today. I think it's because I was wearing my glasses yesterday. I have to put my glasses on for a second. Okay, all right. I can read better.
Keep the glasses on. Like if you can read better, keep them on.
No, they're annoying. JJ Fleur and Q's ready to come down to 20. Wow, that is so much there. 29, 490, 475 coming into my long. I mean, you can enter it long whenever you feel fit. I would probably be entering it soon. I like the fact that the hourly has dropped to tap into this most recent hourly bullish gap. So that was the first target for me, at least. I know there is another hourly gap below within Asia's range, but honestly, the reaction we're already having on this hourly candle tells me this is probably going to hold. So I'm looking for now a 1 minute pullback into some sort of PG. I will take that.
Oh, Nick's Bond trying to shoot a shot here says, yet you didn't, well, he's saying, yet you lose to TF Grand Cup. First of all, lose would be with 1-0, but if you want to go there, my strategy is not designed to full port 1 mini and beat somebody who's getting a lucky trade, right? My strategy is designed to be green every single day. And sometimes I still have red days, to be very clear, but they're very, very, very rare. And if you want stats, 7%, 93% of the times I'm winning. So if you say I didn't win the Grand Cup, you're absolutely right. However, I didn't have a single red day in the Grand Cup. Keep in mind, people advanced with a $10,000 minus and more sometimes.
Yeah, my strategy for that was pretty much just get the extra few $100s up on my opponent and hope that they just panic. And it worked.
Nick, are you walking on a treadmill? Rebel, what tool? Nope, I have some, they're called moonwalkies. Those are like super slippery socks. And you basically just, it's not really moonwalking, but kinda. But it takes a lot of practice. So that's why it kind of looks like I'm walking, right? I'm just practicing it because it really strengthens the calves. And yeah, that's why I do it. When will the next Grand Cup be, Chamuk? I don't know, but I know there is one coming.
I cannot wait. Hi, what is the like goal? Well, we've already smashed the first like goal. We should actually probably do that giveaway.
Yeah, true.
Nick.
True.
We always forget.
Yeah, we always forget. Oh my God, over 1,000 people in there? Holy shit.
Damn, well, there's 1.3 thousand watching chat. Today might be the day we break new records here, London Session.
Where we hit 1.3 thousand likes. Let's go. So I'm really going to make sure I double check on double entries because yesterday we had double entries.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to paste everybody in here. It's going to take like a minute because it's too many people.
We're going to end up breaking the form. We're going to have to, we need to do something else soon. Like, can we do keywords or something?
Anna Mora already got disqualified. That person fucked up. Leah says, wait, what? Wait for me. Nah, Leah, you gotta be on time. You better be on time.
Too busy in other people's streams, I think, Leah.
Damn, now we're shooting shots at Leah. That's unfair.
We love you, Leah.
We love you. Okay, but let's spin the wheel. There's gonna be another giveaway. Oh shit, we broke the website. Look at it. The wheel is broken now. Look at it.
Gosh. We need a new giveaway.
Actually, now we just gotta pick the winner faster. That is the thing. Okay, here we go. The winner, first giveaway winner is 8 fingers. Okay.
What?
Let me double check if that person has 1 entry or multiple entries.
What happened to your 2 other fingers?
Yeah, right. Okay, only 1 entry. You are very lucky because to win this giveaway, you had a 0.095% chance.
Jeez.
Not even a 1% chance and you won. So type something in the chat, 8 fingers.
All right, let's see what you won as well. He's here. But wait, his username is a little bit different. Oh,
yeah,
no.
but that's the guy. Like who else would have the username 8 fingers? Because his actual username, if you go to his profile, is 8 fingers, and it's very disturbing, the image that he has as a profile picture. It's actually a hand with 8 fingers.
Oh my gosh, I can see that. Dude, what the hell?
So 8 fingers, let's see what you actually win. Growth account, select account, or lightning funded account. Spinning. User are getting, it's a select account, okay, but what kind? Looks like a
Ooh, is it
50K.
gonna be a
50K select account. Congratulations.
50K?
Congratulations. Now all you got to do to receive your free account is take your 8 fingers and type your email address into your YouTube channel description. And make sure it is the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts, because if it's not, we won't be able to send you your giveaway.
Take your 8 fingers. No, that's crazy.
Well,
congrats.
Usually, people on a keyboard like type with 10 fingers, right? So how does this guy type?
Actually, correction. We only really use 8 fingers to type. You don't type with your thumbs.
Yeah, you do. Think about the space bar.
Space bar? Okay. Yeah, you got a point. I'm trying to make this guy's 8-finger theory work. Doesn't work, dude.
Oh, come on, NQ. Why? Why do you keep doing that?
Why did you sniper that long, Nick?
Well.
Too slow, Sling. Wear your glasses. Why do I become instantly more intelligent like this?
I mean, you certainly add an IQ point or two.
I feel so smart. I feel like I'm going to enter this long now.
You just doubled the IQ. Crazy.
I just doubled my chances of winning. To be fair, I actually do like the long here because of that hourly reaction in the hourly gap. 5-minute also looks clean now to be inversing and having a market structure shift here on the 5-minute. But we'll see. There's still 2 minutes left to go of this 5-minute candle.
Hey, by the way, your background looks nice now with that little pot and the candle. Nice.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up, my little chicken? Everybody put some corn in the chat for chicken so he can eat.
Hello, chicken.
Here we go. Our little chicken. Chicken is now my one of my best men at the wedding.
Oh, it's official?
It's official. Very
nice.
official.
But chicken, you have to wear some sort of chicken suit as the best man. Surely.
At the wedding? Oh my god. No.
That's crazy. That's sick though. How many best men will you have?
2.
Or is it secret? 2.
2.
Nice.
Yep. You have like a bridesmaid yet?
Yes, I have 2.
Hannah?
Hannah is 1.
Let's go, Hannah. Let's go.
Yes.
Yeah, Nick Steinhardt has 2 and 1 is Congo Man. Chicken and Congo Man, yeah.
I'm letting Hannah out of the cage for that one.
So Hannah and a friend?
And actually my other sister.
Oh, nice.
My 2 sisters, yes.
Nice. Nice.
Aggression says, let's get to 1,300 likes. Everyone, we easily could, honestly, with the amount of people here today. Just smash the chat.
Let's get to 808 likes for the next giveaway. How about that? We're at 722.
Whoa, we're already at 700? Sheesh.
Okay, so Chicken says, Chicken Mega Corn Eater is my new nickname. Yeah, we can do that. Chicken Mega Corn Eater, no problem.
Chicken. You're not even Greek,
you wish,
dude. You're like
dark
Swiss.
Man. Well, he's Greek Swiss Greek.
Nope. He's not a real Greek.
50% cool, 50% Sasiki.
So does he speak? Hold on, chicken. Do you speak Greek but with like a Swiss accent? That would be so funny.
Ja, tzatziki, oder? Jawohl. Okay.
Is the other one also locked up in the cage, or is it just special treatment for Hannah? No, the older sister, she doesn't misbehave like Hannah. Hannah is on another level. She needs to be locked up. The other sister is tame. She's fine.
Senpai Dad Futures, what's the blue and yellow line? The blue one is 120 EMA, yellow is a 200 EMA. Wait, Celine, are you in those lumps too?
No, not yet. Sorry, I did have the position tool. I'm waiting. There was a 5 minutes while waiting for that clean 5-minute close here because we didn't actually end it in the end. But I'm waiting.
12 Vax says, can I ask a question about Tradeify here? Sure, ask.
Absolutely.
What was first, the chicken or the egg? Tzatziki.
Tzatziki every time.
That's why it smells so bad, because it's so old. Ugh.
Oh my gosh, does that mean you don't? So you don't like it because of the garlic or because of the yogurt?
Both.
You don't eat yogurt?
It's just a general mix of trash.
Oh my gosh. You need to try real tzatziki. I think you've never had a real tzatziki.
No, trust me, I have. And yeah, it sucks. I once got invited. So like I went to Istanbul with a friend. And then we got to know some people there. And you know, we had a good time.
Sounds so sus, but yes.
hung out for a bit. And then they were like super friendly, and they invited us to their home for dinner. And we're like, yeah, sure, let's fucking do it. And then they served tzatziki, and I almost fucking vomited over that table, I swear.
That is so rude.
I did eat it though.
You should have eaten that tzatziki and said thank you so much.
But I ate it, so.
Good.
Yeah.
How rude of you. These people invited you.
What do you mean how rude? How nice of me to fucking force myself to eat that shit.
Yes, I'm glad. I would expect nothing. If you had sat there and not swallowed that damn tzatziki, I would have kicked you out of the house. Like, how dare you? I've invited you into my home. You will eat the tzatziki.
Oh, trust me. If you ever invite me to your home, I will definitely not eat the tzatziki.
That's not an invite. And yes, if you were ever, there will be tzatziki waiting for you. You know what? Paddle. I'm bringing tzatziki for everyone, chat. We're just going to have tzatziki.
Not for me.
And then did you do your hair?
Yeah, I was actually bald. And then I got a hair transplant in Istanbul.
I'm trying to tell you, chat, it's not real hair.
No, it's just a wig.
Brew it sushi, hastily me and NQ Tube trade order flow.
Hey, Firehand, my man.
He's like, hastily and I trade order flow, just wanted to let you know. Cool. I don't. The Swiss palate is not known for its diversity. Oh, 100%. I think that's the issue here. They're not open to flavors if it's not cheese and potatoes and meat.
And chocolate? Come on now.
And chocolate. Yeah, I will never diss the Swiss chocolate. Laderac, there's nothing better.
See? Baji trade, so it's fake hair? Yeah, I mean, come on. Who would have perfect hair like that?
Perfect hair like that.
Yeah, it's just a wig. I'm honest. I mean, I'm honest. It's just a wig. Okay. Hey, Jonathan. Jonathan says I had mega long hair about 2 years ago. Cut it at Christmas. Donated it to the Princess Trust. Hey, nice.
Nice.
That's cool. Brad says, hey, Selena. Hi, Selena. I like your indicators. Just wanted to let you know.
Is this guy trolling? What else did you want to let me know?
Oh, Enki Loops calls you Selena as well. Everybody, she just changed her name. She's now Selena.
Okay, I feel like these
Saint,
guys are working together to troll today.
maybe. El Saint, what's better, raclette or fondue? Raclette.
Raclette. Neither. Disgusting.
Jackson says, Nick, can I donate some losses to you? I mean, sure, and then I'll average them down and I'll make them profitable. Go for it. Bodhi asks, Celine, when is your next MMA match?
That one, well, I've put the training on that for, it's just on hold for a little bit.
But you did just beat Conor McGregor, right?
Did anyone actually watch that?
I watched I mean, if you can call it highlight reel. It's more like a low light reel.
That guy didn't even last a minute in the ring with me. But what's it called? I put it on hold for paddle. Like, I'm training right now, going really heavy on the training. So MMA is going to come after the paddle match because I just don't want to risk being injured and then, you know, having to forfeit the paddle match and Nick think, oh, I told you weren't going to do the paddle match. So yeah, paddle training comes first.
Thank you, Noob. Actually, funny that you ask. She's not from Japan. She's from China.
Who is this guy? Enki, you know what, Enki Lube? Whatever that username is. I'm going to correct you. It's Celine, not Selena, because he's done it 3 times now. These guys are trolling. Selena, are you from Japan? No.
Aditya says Connor is back. What? Connor's back on the ground, yeah.
Claudio will know more about Connor. Next time we have Claudio on, we'll have to ask. It is her cousin after all.
Market Maker Mario, congrats. Nice. Have a good night.
Stereo says in the wedding, y'all will love the part where they say kiss the bride and it turns to the What the fuck? What is Selena trading today? Well, Selena, I don't know why this is catching on. It's Celine. I don't know if you guys can read my username just below screen here where my camera is. But I was in a short, chat, and that was an A+ model short, swept out previous 4-hour high, previous 15-minute high, 15-minute gap tap, and then inversion setup. So I had already been in that short, but I'm actually looking for a long out of this range now. So having NQ having already come down to tap into this 1-hour bullish gap, I like the reaction that we're having there, and I'm looking now for a lower time frame market structure shift with like a 1-minute FVG, like pullback entry. I'll take that. But I'm just waiting for a little bit more from price just to confirm, because there is room to the upside. So I'm not rushing into this. Right now, as you can see on the 1 minute, we're just in consolidation. So I have no entry yet for this.
Yeah, Jonathan, I sent her your message yesterday. Rajesh, you're banned. Bye. See ya.
Yes. Thank you, Jonathan. I did see your message and Andrea's message.
Market Maker Mario, you should actually get mod status. Not even lying.
For real. Kirill Krastev says the room to the upside might be for New York news. Potentially, but we're still like 4 hours out from that CPI candle hitting. So we can still make a bit more of a move here before CPI data comes and hits everyone. But I mean, actually the way CPI most recently has been going, it hasn't been as crazy. But in saying that, yes, do expect a move. Oh, Market Maker Mario does mod for Joey. I didn't know.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh.
I just saw that too.
Lena, the way you trade ICT is so tough. I'm sure this NQ Lube and that other guy are trolls in here. I'm watching you, NQ Lube. I'm watching you.
Uh-oh, careful. Gonna get the ban hammer.
They did tell you it's Celine, and you continued Selena. I'm going to give that a ban. That's going to be a timeout.
Actually, your AI version 2.0 is called Selena, so that's probably why they got confused. I'm sorry.
Nick, because I'm going to ask them to call you Nicola or Nicholas from now on.
Well, you can ask them. They're just not going to do it. But Selena is your name now.
All right. If I'm Selena, chat, it's Nicholas to all of you.
NQ Loop says, Selena, are there no orders on Bookmap? I trade order flow, by the way.
Don't trade Bookmap. This guy is trolling.
Oh, Jonathan says, Nickel Legend. Let's go, Jonathan, my man.
Jonathan, we know you only love him because he buys you pizza. He's completely bought your support.
Well, but I got the support. That's what counts, you know? Hell yeah. Now, I said I'm rooting for England now, Jonathan.
Come on, England. Celine, slide me an eval for the enhancement.
Yeah. See, Jonathan says, nah, it's not because of that. We have banter and the dinosaur memes. That's right. That's right. Peter Pan plus $1,496.40 today. Thanks, Nick Celine. Hey, you're welcome. But you did that.
Well,
wasn't us. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Body Trade says he's Nikolai and he likes his vodka. Yes. Duh. Oh, are we gonna get in drawdown? Let's fucking go. Come on. Push it down, NQ. Give me drawdown. Give me the drawdown.
Interesting. Would the strategy work on a 50k account? Do you think the drawdown is small? No.
A 150k account is technically too small already. I kind of make it work on a 150, but it's technically too small. You want to trade like a proper account with that strategy.
Only Nick loves drawdown. You got that right. The only trader you will see like begging for drawdown here.
So Creative says, being so cool with one micro. It's not about the one micro. It's about being green every day.
Ooh, mic drop. Maud Alexander says, I'm testing the strat on a 50k but using MES and not MNQ. Interesting. We encourage you guys to go and do your testing and not just like copy a trade anyone you see on the internet. It's good to do your own testing, your own analysis, see what works for you and your accounts, etc. And then when you become comfortable with the strategy, then you start to trade it.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they should do a 300k account. Well. I can make them my own. That would be interesting.
It would.
Afghan trader Celine, I have your support. You gave me a free account and I even got a payout from it. Let's go, the Afghan trader. I'm guessing that's one of the ones you got while you were in London. Congrats. And then he says, Nicola, what happened to your sleeves? So that one's for you, Nicola.
It's just too hot in Switzerland now. I had to switch over to the tank top. I wonder how much of the audience just comes here to blindly copy your trade, says Ocean Wave. That's a good question. Roman, can we get a poll up that just asks, do you copy Tradeify TV trades? And then just yes or no. And guys, you have to put yes if you have ever done it. Even just once.
Jimmy says Nick with the guns out. What about me, Jimmy?
Suns out, guns out.
I've been
You do the same thing like every girl. That's so funny. I observed this. I observed this with women when they want to show their biceps. They just make a fist, but they don't use it to actually flex the bicep. They just do this.
That's not true. I'm flexing.
Oh, okay. Didn't know that was.
Oh, God. What the hell? That was me flexing. Nick just took that all back. Wow. I was sitting there feeling strong, and Nick's like, you're not even flexing. Wow. I might have to go and do another extra buy session today, damn it. Oh, wow.
Let's see what the poll does. Okay, 27% of people are copying. Leia says, bullshit, Nick. Oh, nice. I got another receipt in the chat. Let's fucking go.
Thank you, Lube. Until you say my name, I have no comment for you. I won't be reading those comments for Selena because I don't know who that is.
Market Maker Mario. Nice. If you did it once, you did it once, so yes.
Oh, no. No. Suman the Wonder. See, Nick, the way you reacted to that 300 account comment, is that one of the surprise of August? No. Sorry.
Wait,
I probably
what?
made it sound like... Because when Market Maker Mari said, oh, you guys should implement a 300 count, I was like, well, that would be interesting. No, but I was literally just thinking about it being interesting. But that is not... No. August, you guys be ready. It is a sick announcement, but it's not that.
Yep. Iron pitching investing, Nick's status in trades all day. Anything longer than 5 or 10 minutes, too long for my taste. I mean, if you can do whatever you want, right? Me personally, I like to be in front of the charts all day. I like to make money all day. And that's what's, if you really want to make serious money, that's what's required. You can't just be in front of the charts for 10 minutes or an hour. You're never going to make it long term.
Oh, did we hit the second like goal?
We did. Let's run it. So chat, if you want to participate in the second giveaway, and for that one, you only have only 1 minute to participate. If you want to participate in this, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions along the lines of that, you're going to get disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. So don't do it. Here is the form. You're going to have exactly 1 minute to fill it out. That means as soon as my candle here is down to 45 seconds, I'm going to pick a winner.
Yeah, because these giveaways are getting way too big.
Yep. Okay, I got another receipt in the chat. Let's go. That's what I like.
Oh no. The drillers are back.
I hear it. I hear it. Whack. You're up, Simba. You're a bit delayed. Okay, picking a giveaway winner now.
Andre the Giant, we do. He said you guys need to give away 2 to 3 accounts per giveaway. Oh, per giveaway? My bad. Sorry, I read that wrong. That's a bit crazy.
Okay, now we only got 538 people in, the ones that were fast enough. Congrats to you guys. Let's see, I'm copying everybody over.
Let's do it.
Iron Pitching Investing says, some to be a full-time day trader, honestly, 20 minutes during each session is fine. I mean, if you want to make small money, sure. But if you want to make actual money, nope. All right, spinning. Let's see. Spinning. The second giveaway winner of the day is bada bing, bada bong. Copper Trail 042. I'm checking if you filled it out once or twice. Only once. Amazing. So Copper Trail 042. Type something in the chat. You just won the second giveaway of the day. And we have a new viewer record, I think. 1,400 people here.
Hell yeah, let's go. Chat. We are going to smash records today. I can feel it.
Yep.
Let's do this giveaway. And then the next one is going to be big.
I mean, the next one is an obvious one. 999. Chat. 999 likes gets you guys the next giveaway.
We'll easily smash that.
Where's Copper Trail? I can't see him. Can you see him?
Nope. Copper Trail, you got to claim this. Otherwise, we got to respin.
Otherwise, it's ping ping gone, as Trump would say.
Come on.
Copper Trail. Oh, there he is.
Is it me?
Yes, it's you. Oh shit! I reported you instead of going to your channel. My bad. I undid it. You're good. Okay, so let's see what you actually win. I'm gonna put on, as usual, growth accounts, select accounts, lightning funded accounts, and then we're gonna spin the wheel. Copper Trades or Copper Trail. You, sir, are getting a 150k lightning. Let's go.
That's huge.
That is the big boy account. 150k lightning funded coming your way. All you got to do to receive it is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. And once it's in there, it's going to take up to 7 days to receive your 150k lightning funded account. Massive.
Let's go.
Massive.
That is huge.
Huge.
All right, so next goal is 999. 999.
9999.
And beyond that, we'll have to see. We'll see. But let's get to the next giveaway target. We'll give away the third account of the stream. And then we'll hopefully smash new records. We'll see.
Wait, Celine, did you end up taking that long?
Nope. Not in anything yet.
Why not?
Well, still didn't get that 5-minute reaction. 5-minute dropped all the way back down. As I was reading out the price before, we were looking like we were going to invert, but I said I'm going to wait for this 5-minute inversion here. It never happened. And then we traded lower. And now we're back into that 5-minute gap. It's still no inversion here. So I'm just waiting for a bit more of a significant reaction here on the 5-minute. But yeah, the hourly looks great for the longs here. But taking this, probably from a 5-minute reaction.
All right. Bushwookie says, once you know your shit, more often than not, more time on the charts equals mental fatigue, equals mistakes, equals more money lost. If you know your strat and can identify a trade day at a glance, less time is better. I strongly disagree with that, because if you know your shit, you can be in front of the charts all day and make money all day. I can literally trade from 8 a.m. my time till 10 p.m. my time. No problem, no breaks. Except bathroom breaks, but not a problem. People who are asking how to join the giveaway, you're all disqualified for the rest of the day.
Chat, we might be doing a huge giveaway later on in the stream. This is the worst day to be getting banned.
Okay, M Empire, you're gone for the next 30 minutes, actually 10 minutes. Poof. Then we got Chat Bye. You are gone for the next 10 minutes as well. Ping Ping gone. And then who else we got? Anybody else?
NQ Lube is kind of begging for it. He's annoying me now because he doesn't have any questions. He just keeps begging for attention.
Chicken, are you a bit delayed on the stream maybe? He says, how do you dare calling me fake Greek? I'm Poseidon in person. He's like super delayed.
Yeah, you're like half an hour late, buddy.
Yep. I just texted him.
Chicken said, I might come to Greece tomorrow. Celine had a 30-minute call. Oh, well, that makes sense. He was on a call. You might come to Greece tomorrow? Where? To Thessaloniki? Is he actually going to Greece? Why does he just like fly in and out of Greece so often? What does he do here?
Dude, instead of going to Greece, you should rather answer my WhatsApp message about wake surfing on Sunday. Are you in?
Pasidi? Wait, Chicken, are you actually going to Pasidi Beach?
You better come back before Sunday and join me for wake surfing.
No, he doesn't care about wake surfing. You should be actually going to Greece for the summer, not wake surfing in Switzerland.
Greece. I only go to Greece to collect 10K off of you for playing paddle.
Anyone would agree European summer is better in Greece than Switzerland. Every time
you might fly there with your little chicken wings? Like, is that how you go there? Well, come on, chicken. Then you don't go. Just don't go to Greece then.
How many psychedelic? No. No hablo español.
You know what's funny?
What?
So when we were in the Airbnb in Milano, so Chicken was sitting about 3 meters away from me, and I was talking with, I think it was Peter's wife, I'm not sure. And I said something about chicken to her, and then he just turns around thinking I called him. It's so funny. He realized it after. He was like, oh, fuck.
It's becoming like part of his personality. He doesn't even realize. This is what I mean, Chicken. You have to like fully evolve now. By the wedding, you should be in that chicken suit.
Like a little Pokemon. Evolve now.
Yeah, like full evolution. Yeah, Pasidi Beach is really nice. Pasidi is one of the nicest. Have you actually been to Pasidi Cape? We were trying to go like a few weeks ago.
His family has a house there, actually.
Oh, Pasidi is so nice. Wow, that's really close to where I feel.
The beach club there has the second best burger in the world.
They also have really good sushi. Wait, you think that's the second best burger?
Yes.
I don't think it was that amazing.
Well, probably you went to a different beach club. I don't know.
No, it's the main one there.
The one we went to, the burgers there, second best in the world, must admit.
Chicken, was it this one? Wait. I think there's only one main nice one there. They also have really good sushi. Did you have sushi that day?
He says Pasidi Cape is where my parents have their houses.
No way. I was trying to go there a few weeks ago, but it was way too windy. But I really want to go swim actually down towards the Cape.
Oh yeah, Eldoris it's called, the beach club.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had that burger.
Yeah, they have the second best burger in the world.
Wow, I don't remember it being that amazing. Hold up. Don't swim there. Yeah, is that because, wait, I want to know. Can you swim there when you can't swim there when it's windy, right? It's pretty dangerous.
Yeah, at that little...
like where it's just the Cape, where it just opens up.
Yeah.
You can't swim there.
You shouldn't, because people die there.
Don't be stupid tourists getting wrecked by the sea, please. Okay, that's good. Because I wanted to know. I assumed you probably shouldn't go there when it's too windy, but I've also seen videos where people go and set up like, their own... Oh, here we go.
Alchemy Kamari says the best burgers he had was in London. In 2019, there's this place close to the eye. Oh my God, it melted and they had bacon infused in the meat. Oh God, okay. Ooh. Sounds like... I don't know. Not really my thing. I don't like bacon that much, except breakfast bacon. But in burgers and stuff, nah.
How is that any different?
It's just
I had a terrible burger here in Thessaloniki the other.
Wait, terrible. The business lens woke up and chose violence against says stupid jokers. What do you mean stupid jokers, business lens?
He's looking for something. I'm still looking for these photos of the beach club.
Wait, Mexican Dan says, how do we make Nick a better person? Low-key, it's time. We need to heal the dictator. What? What's happening, Mexican dance? Also, Roman, let's go back to my screen, please, because I'm still in the trade.
Yes, this one, chicken. Look, screen, Roman.
Can't see shit. Oh yeah, that one.
You can see that? Look at that sushi. It was amazing. You
Can't really
it.
see it now. Thank you. Can you please go in drawdown? Thank you. Wag, that's exactly how she said it. The disrespect in her tone was crazy.
Screen, Herman. Sorry, Herman. I shouldn't be taking it out on you, Roman. I should be taking it out on Nick.
On me? What have I done?
What haven't you done? Jimmy says, London session been so boring lately. Yeah, look. Pre-London, we did have a drop, but since London Open, really nothing here. London Open had that initial bullish move off those lows there, but we have gone nowhere. We've gone sideways since then. CPI later as well. CPI in 4.5 hours now. But with consolidation, do expect some sort of big move though. I'm waiting.
T-Rat says we're coming back to your entry, Nick. Yeah, hopefully, finally. Give me drawdown. Give me drawdown. Mario Kart King says, if only we had something to fill the boredom.
He wants to play Mario Kart.
Of course he does.
Chickens is the 147-second impression. What, is he trolling now too?
Oh, he was always trolling. He was always trolling.
Alexander Rosanda, how long have you guys been trading? Almost 3 years for me. In October.
3 years.
3 years. What is the frame you use, Galamu Kalani? As in the entry time frame? 1 minute for me usually.
Alexander, me since 2022. Seriously, before that, just like on and off. Chicken Celine, I've been going there since they opened 7-8 years ago. If you go there, greet them from the Swiss George. if you say George, everybody's called George.
Yes, I'll say the Greek, what did you call yourself? The Greek god Poseidon from Switzerland.
Mexican dance confuses me. He says he's going through some shit right now. Loki, Mexican dance, what's wrong with you today?
Who's going through shit?
Me, I don't know. Mexican dance is weird today.
Come on, Mexican dance.
Chamuk, what prop firm do you guys use? Which one could we be using?
Come on.
Wait, let me check Tradeify TV really quick. Oh, that's us on Tradeify TV. Which prop firm could we be using? I'm using what is it called? Something with T.
I think it has the word trade in it, and it might end with IFY.
Trade Wi-Fi. Is it that one?
Something like that.
Okay.
Sounds like that. Something like that. Yeah, that's what we use. Hell no, none of those guys. Oh no.
Ew, chat, do you have to ban you right here, everybody?
Ew. Anyone with any of those A words?
Okay, everybody, if you want a giveaway, put a 1 in the chat. 1 in the chat for a giveaway. Let's go. Let's see those ones.
Yep. Nice. There we go.
Okay, we need 50 more likes, then we're going to run a giveaway immediately.
Ooh, we're very close, very close. Come on, NQ really just being super boring right now. Give us something to work with here. And keep
Lulu says, I think we never forget you having an Apex tab open. Shh.
Wait, was I here for that? That would have been funny.
That was a couple months ago. It was funny. That was really funny.
Celine is looking for a long ha 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 ha. Celine, yes, looking for a long, but I haven't had a clean, I said I'm asking for more from Price. I need to see like a 5-minute at least inversion. We're struggling to even do that. So that tells me now is not the time to be trying to long this. We could actually go, retrace deeper into this range here. So I'm just watching and waiting. The A+ setup was the short, so I'm happy that I at least took that setup. But now to be entering a long, it's not my usual model, but it's just more like analyzing a time frame here. I do want to get long in the London session. So I'm using the hourly, seeing as though we have tapped back into that hourly gap here, the bullish gap, and hopefully waiting for a 5-minute reaction. But struggling to even get that. So I'm waiting now. Nothing clean for me to enter off.
Mm-hmm.
This is random stuff. Says, how does a funded account work? Well, you must be new to prop trading. And for any of the questions, you actually can go straight to YouTube, go to Tradeify TV and watch our series that takes you through all the steps of passing the evaluation, getting to funded. You'll see Miriam's face, you'll see Nick's face. And there's a whole bunch of videos on there you can watch, which will take you through it. But a funded account is basically just the second phase, usually, unless you're on a lightning, but the second phase, and then you pass that account. What's that?
8 more likes. Also reminds me of 8 fingers guy.
Yeah, I was like, what are we doing now? And then, yeah, you pass that funded account, you get to a payout. That's all.
Chat Lalgada, are you guys like admin or like employees of Tradeify? We are actually the CEOs. So I'm the CEO and Celine is the founder.
Oh, I was gonna say, you better not put me below you. I'm the founder. Which
See,
means
like I respect you. I put you above me, but now of course you gotta make it disrespectful again. Of course. Yeah, that's just how you are. That's okay.
Really? It's how I am, but you somehow got the name around here as the Nictator. I'm not sure how that happened, but anyway. I'm the founder. Nick is the CEO. And below us, you then have the Spud, which is we put him as the COO. And then we have Miriam, who's also head of marketing. And yeah.
Mr. Derb says Celine is the CAO, Chief AI Officer. No, we're not, to be fair. Brett and Vinny are the founders. Brett is the CEO and Vinny is the COO. We're just trolling.
As if we have to say that, chat. As if you guys don't know who the founders and the CEOs.
Just to clarify.
Just to clarify. Actually, go and watch their most recent. If you want to see our founders, our CEOs, go and watch the most recent interview they did. You'll be able to see that podcast. All over Instagram, YouTube.
Oh, come on. I got like 1 point of drawdown.
I don't think you're going to get a lot of drawdown today. Just saying. Doesn't feel that way.
Yeah, we got 1,000 likes. Let's fucking go. Okay, let's run a giveaway. Chat, today could be the day where we get 1,300 likes in London. That would be crazy.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
It definitely... We still have an hour to go and we're already smashing 1,000 likes.
Yep. So, chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I'm in, you're going to get disqualified, or any sorts of questions along the lines of that. And of course, if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. You're going to have exactly 1 minute to fill out the form. After that, we're going to pick a winner. And that's it. Good luck. Yes, Babs, you can have 5.
Elijah says, yesterday NY stream hit 1.7 likes. Is that in the New York session, Nick? Confirm?
Sounds like a scam. Sounds like it got botted.
Can't be true.
Joey trades. What shape or form are you in, Nick? Well, you are disqualified. Congrats. Is it a new form every time? Yes, you have to fill it out again, even if you have filled it out before. I didn't say that.
Open God. Goodbye.
Jonathan says, it's my 92nd birthday today, so I get 92 entries. No, you get actually 920 entries.
Very funny, Jonathan. Very funny.
The Wolf of Fullport, disqualified.
Nick is good in form.
Although you're not wrong.
Mexican Dance, you're not shadow banned.
No. I've been speaking to you throughout the entire stream, but you just don't answer me for some reason. Lenny, should I enter now? Disqualified.
Migs Lionheart, big drop heavy newsletter here in US waiting for that drop. How do you already know which way it's going to drop? I mean, move. You're already expecting a drop. You don't even know what the data release is going to say.
Joey trades. Fun fact, I actually did deadlifts this morning.
Nick, wie is dein from being deadlift?
Babs, how many steps do I take a day on the treadmill? On the treadmill, around 10,000, maybe. Yeah, pretty much.
I don't know why people think they're getting shadow banned. Chat, there's definitely way more of you in here, so if we're missing your comments, it's just natural because there are just way too many. We have over 1,000 people like for this entire stream, so to get to all of your comments is just, it's too difficult.
Hey, Siarif Ahmed, welcome to Tradeify TV. He's asking where's the stop loss. I do not trade with a stop loss.
Welcome. Lenny says, Nick, I meant should I enter the trade? I didn't mean the giveaway. It's too close. Like you're playing with fire.
Yep.
Just too close. Kyle Matsetse says, just hit 2 hours shorting Nas 2 days in a row. Let's go. I mean, I assume you just shorted this drop. I don't think we've dropped heavy since like 2 a.m.-ish. So, I mean, if you're scalping this range, nice. But there honestly hasn't been anything exciting on Nas since London Open.
Ooh, a fellow Ninja Trader user here, Addy808. That's a very good question. Asks Nick, how do you use Ninja Trader ATMs then? Simple. I have because ATMs, they can't have a stop. You can't have no stop on ATMs on Ninja Trader. To explain to those who are not using it, I just set my stop in the ATM to 4,000 ticks. So it's 1,000 point stop loss. And if the trade goes against me and it comes down far, like 800 points or so, I just move the ATM stop even further down. I just put it out of the way. But it's actually a great measurement tool. If you put it at 1,000 points, aka 4,000 ticks, then you really know where you enter the trade and you can measure how much the market has moved. It's actually pretty helpful.
Rebel says, Nick is streaming, trading, walking, and also replying to chats. Man, that's called multitasking. That is true.
That's our job. Celine does that too. Oh,
hey,
shit.
I'm not walking though.
That's true. Shit, we forgot about the giveaway. Again. Okay, let me copy everybody over. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, it's copying.
Spinny for a rippy, Nick.
The rippy.
Spinny for the rippy.
Looks like my entry here is the support, huh?
Yep, you are the one holding price here.
My 1 micro in sim accounts is holding the market. Nice. Okay. That's the 3rd giveaway winner of the day. we got the one and only lucky Karma Capital. Hey, Karma Capital, congrats. Karma
Congratulations.
Capital. You only fill it out once, so good karma. Type something in the chat.
Have you got 10 fingers? Chicken every time is like rigged, super rigged.
Chicken. Karma Capital, where you at? Coinspit says he's not here. Reroll. That was like 10 seconds. Chill.
No, we gotta give him a bit more time.
Yeah. Oh, Coinspit, you're spamming. Don't do it. One more time, you're gonna be ban hammered. Okay, he just retracted his message. Good boy. Karma Capital.
Oh, present, sir.
Oh.
I see him.
I see him. Good. Okay, let's see what you win. Growth, select, or lightning funded accounts. Boom, spinning. Spinning. Karma Capital, you, sir, will get a 150k select account. Congratulations. Nice. That is really good. That is
another
really
big account.
Yep. All you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email. And yeah, there you go. You're going to receive your account within the next 7 days. Next like goal, well, you know it, chat. 1,300, the big one. If we hit 1,300 likes, we're gonna give away 5 accounts.
That is gonna be a big giveaway.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we should do 8 for the 8-finger guy, but 5 will do.
Mexican Dan says he said thank you. Give him 2, Nick. He said thank you, Nick. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Like, what? You want me to reward standard manners?
No, I'm not gonna allow it.
Oh, come on, NQ. Why are you doing this?
I know. It's going without you, Nick. You need to add more. Why don't you just add more already? How about that?
Because it never went into drawdown.
But just add from here.
No, adding in profit is one of the dumbest things one can do. Like, you're just gonna fuck yourself over if you do that.
I'm watching this. I'm getting interested in the long soon.
Oh, we're already at 1,100 likes. We need 1,300, chat. 1,300. We're gonna give away 5 accounts.
Today is the day. I can already feel it.
Ooh, Serpent God complimenting me. Damn.
Oh.
Is that sarcasm or is it an actual compliment? That's my question.
Well, he ended it with for real, so it has to be for real.
Well, but he's the god of snakes, so how much does it mean if he says for real?
That is true.
Trader PRJ, how many trades do you take a day? A lot. A lot.
Chris Invest says, I don't understand why you want drawdown. Can you explain, Nick, to those who don't get it?
Oh, wait 1 second. I got another receipt in the chat. I need to screenshot that really quick. Sorry, what was the question?
He is asking, why do you want drawdown so much? Can you explain
so
that?
I can add into my trade and get a better average and then make more money. Okay, Serpent God was actually, no, not using sarcasm. He says adding in profit is indeed dumb. Yeah, I agree with you, Serpent God. Iron Pitch Investing says, I have the worst problem of just barely missing my entry off by one tick. Then just market order it. If it comes so close, I mean, what does it matter? You just want to miss the entire move because you really wanted that one more tick, or you just want to market order in and don't give a fuck and you take the move. Ursula, that's a great question we need to ask Drew today. However, today I won't be able to ask Drew because today's New York stream is going to be the most chaotic one ever. We have Miriam back, plus we have Max and Llama and Spuddy and me. So it's going to be chaos, and I will definitely not be able to ask Drew, but maybe I can ask him tomorrow.
Wow, it's also going to be chaotic in terms of red folder news, so that's going to be one wild New York morning session.
Yeah, it's going to be definitely wild.
I actually have a buy limit I decided on the 1 minute, just sitting below here. The 5 minute closed a strong bullish candle closure here. We kind of did fail to close above these highs, so failing to market structure shift.
Wait, you're taking it long?
I have a buy limit, so I do expect it to drop a little bit. So there is a limit order on.
Okay.
But we'll see. It's kind of like opposing. I'm just thinking about it because it is sort of like an opposing to my usual model here. Would be shorting, but I think overall I want to be on the side of the longs coming into the next few hours pre-New York session.
So it's
but I don't know.
So wait, it's not your model?
It's not my A+ model. No, A+ model would be still finding setups to short, right? Because it's just it's a repeatable setup that can occur, and you can keep getting short entries during the session. But now I said that my targets had been hit for the shorts. I wouldn't expect it to drop lower, having come down into this hourly gap, held and closed with this wick left behind in the hourly. So now, yeah, I'm just watching. I'm watching. Of course it can. Of course it can come lower. And the current 15-minute candle has no bottom wick, so that's not always the cleanest.
I'm scared. I'm scared when you long here.
Longing here. Oh, it's actually becoming a nice short setup. The 15-minute has no
your limit order there for long. How is it now short?
Because of the 15-minute candle.
So wouldn't it make more sense to take the short then, since that is your actual model?
No. So okay. It is actually a higher time frame. I'm bullish. Like, I want to see the bulls play out. I just don't like the being longevity in this short. I just, where my stop is, I think that's safe.
Yeah.
All right. We're closing the limit. I'm canceling it.
Okay. Trader Mahi, you get banned for the next 5 minutes. Do not spam the chat. How can you learn our trading strategies? Just watch the stream. You'll see.
I'm just trying to reason why I'm not taking this short. The reason is because the hourly low, having swept out its previous hour, held up this hourly gap. That's the reason why I don't think there's any more room to the downside. So why I'm happy to be longing now. But the 15-minute is the only thing that just put me off there, because the 15-minute has no bottom wick, so it can come down and break this, go lower first. So I'll wait. It's maybe a bit premature here. Let's just wait. All right, you caught me, Nick. I'm actually glad I canceled that.
Good. Good. Oh, chat. If we get 1,300 likes today, we're gonna give away 5 accounts. Make sure you hit that like button. NP No FOMO says, has anyone seen Nick short ever? Oh yeah, I've shorted on stream. Lenny West, Nick, how much sure are you in the current NQ trade you have? Well, I'm so confident. I'm gonna make money on this, guaranteed. If it goes up, I take profit. If it goes down, I add more and I make more profit. Simple.
Then why taking trade without you set up though? Just hold for confirmation, right? Okay. The setup is showing. Okay, we have the alignment 4 hour, 15 minute. There's now a 1 minute inversion, but that doesn't matter because that setup can print multiple times a day. I don't trade it like a robot and I'm not taking every single short entry now, it's telling me. The reason not is because I apply context, I apply discretion to the way I trade. So yes, this short from up here, higher price, we're in a premium here. We was shorting out of a 15-minute gap. All that context given, it was a cleaner short. Now shorting in the middle of this consolidation, I don't like that as much. Yes, the short setup was printing. The 15-minute having no bottom wick is something that I'm wary of because that can obviously flip, break its low and flip bearish to put in its bottom wick. But yeah, that is the only reason there I was a little hesitant on taking the long. The long is based on higher time frame. So not that London reversal model, still based on ICT concepts, still the way I would trade like a New York session, for example, but I'm seeing that the shorts for me, the targets have been reached to the downside and I don't expect this to drop lower. So therefore, I am confident and comfortable in putting in a buy limit. I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close now because I was entering on a 15-minute candle to go long when it had no bottom wick. So that was the only thing. I didn't want to get stopped out in that candle. I'm waiting to see how this prints. But yes, printing, closing, 2 minutes, almost, yeah. Around 2 minutes left to go of this candle. If this closes bullish, that's fine. That actually confirms that this 15-minute candle is a good, is not going to be flipping. And if it closes bullish, I'm happy to take the longs now.
Mm-hmm. Pratijit says, how many trades out of 10 are correct on this channel? Well, that's a little bit of a loose question because it depends who is trading. It depends. 10 trades is not a lot to get a percentage or anything. So, we can test it really quick. Roman, let's go to my screen. Look, this is technically how I could answer your question. Let me go to my other account here. This one. Okay, let me take one micro long. Boom. Okay, we're gonna set a TP right here. 1 point. Okay, that's trade number 1. Let's see. Answering your loose question with that one. Okay, I'm out. Boom, trade number 1, winner. I'm going short.
Wait, what's the question? Sorry, I actually have buy limits now.
How many trades out of 10 are correct? Okay, boom, trade number 2, 1. So 2 out of 2 winners so far. Mm-hmm. Okay, we add a little bit more here. Thank you. Okay, add more. Easy. Mm-hmm. Okay, add more, add more. Boom, trade 3 out of 3, winner. Add the 4th trade.
What is going on?
Add more, add more. Uh-huh. Add more, add more, add more, add more, add more. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Add more, add more, add more, add more. Add more, add more, add more.
Whoa. What are you doing?
Add
How
more.
many micros are you in?
17.
Yeah.
Boom, 4 trades, winner. Boom, 1 micro. Okay. Let's see, that's the 5th trade. Mm-hmm. Add more. Taking it down. Add more, 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 add more. Uh-huh. Taking it down. Add more, add more, add more, add more. Okay, 5th trade, winner. Let's short it now. Ooh, now we're getting the push up. Oh my God, oh my God. Okay, let's make this a fair statistic. Nah, actually, you know what? Let's not make it fair. Let me just add more. So we got 5 trades, 5 winners so far. Or was it 6?
I entered it long, by the way, while you were doing your lesson there with the chat.
Okay, good. Good, good, good. So this is the 6th trade. Okay, that was a winner. Nice. We're going to the 7th trade, another short.
What is the point of this?
7th trade, winner, boom, another short. This is the 8th one. He wanted to ask how many out of 10 trades are winners. Okay, that was the 8th one, now the 9th. Trade number 9 out of 10.
All the scalpers would be loving this.
Of course. All right, 9 trades, winner, and now 1 long to end this experiment. No, no, no.
Come on.
Oh no. Oh no. We're losing here. No. Okay, let's.
Where are the push-ups for these trades?
Shit. Okay. That's the 10th trade out of 10. Let's see, is this gonna win or is it gonna lose? We're gonna find out very soon.
100 push-ups.
And we missed it. We missed it. Okay, add more, add more, add more. Okay, good, good, good. Now you also saw me take shorts, by the way, chat.
Oh gosh. All right, well, you're still in that last trade, are you? The 10th trade?
Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Where was your entry for your long?
My entry.
Oh, there it is. 100% win rate. Let's go.
There you go, chat. He literally just took 10 trades and take 1 single loss. This is the 1 minute chart. My entry was of 613.50 on the 1 minute FVG after the market structure shift here. So the pullback. Entered on the pullback with a buy limit. Stop is just below this swing low. Taking off one at this high, this initial high, and then taking another off at the highs of that Frankfurt open drop, and then holding for the highs here at 753.75. Oh, that drilling just got really aggressive now. They just woke up.
Oh, now you're not happy with that answer, chat? I thought you wanted to see it. I love how some people love it and some people hate it. I gave you some new receipts, actually. That's great.
Yeah, but also the viewers just spiked. So
see?
They love it.
See? KB says, Nick, can you ask Tradeify to produce merch t-shirts with add more? Funny. Funny. Hey, Market Maker Mario found it hilarious. He's an OG, so that means it was.
Oh my gosh. Are you hearing the drilling today?
We can hear it, yeah. We can hear it.
It's getting really loud now. can easily get 1,400 viewers can easily get 1,300 likes.
We
Come
just
on,
hit
chat.
1,200. Oh, and we still have about 20 minutes to do this. So
Hell yeah.
chat, 1,300
Chat.
likes, and we're gonna run a giveaway with 5 accounts. 5 accounts.
Today is the day. For sure. We're smashing new records. Make sure if you're just joining, yes, that is the like target. 1,300. Get us there. And we'll do the giveaway. Celine, your stop is 1,800. This is on a 150K.
Please explain the risk-reward ratio and strategy among these trades.
Me?
No,
Okay,
the 10 I took.
Oh, right. Okay. I was going to say, mine's kind of normal.
Yeah, I don't do risk-reward. I do profit versus drawdown. Not as in predefined, but as in overall throughout the day. What was my max drawdown throughout the day? And then what do I close by the end of the day, right? So if I was, let's say I'm in a trade, like I'm in this long right now, right? The serious long. If we go to my screen really quick, Roman. So I was in this serious long for the past, what now? 1.5 hours. I'm still in it. If it goes against me, let's say it goes against me $1,000. But if I close the day with $2,000,
TP1 smashed.
Let's go, Celine. Great work. But if I end my day with $2,000 profit, well, then I have a 2-to-1 R, right? But I don't have a predefined stop, so there's no predefined R. Yeah, let's go to Celine's screen. She's crushing it. Well done.
I just took TP1 off, so that's fine. I brought my stop up a little bit. I'm actually going to drag it to that wick that I entered that candle there. So leaving 2 minis for the run. The next high I'm looking for is 29,650.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. Celine push-ups. Oh yeah, damn it. Oh, okay. Fine. Doing 10 now.
So funny. The push-ups are funny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11. Oh, damn. 10% more. Crazy. Leia is joining you on those push-ups too.
Let's go, Leia. Gets hot every time I do it. All right. Those aren't even full push-ups, Celine. Yeah, I'm working on a Mexican dance. At the moment, I'm doing push-ups on my knees.
Can you do one without your knees? Like,
yeah,
seriously?
but I'm not getting much out of that. I can do a few. You know what I was doing at the gym yesterday? I'm working on pull-ups. So I was working with a resistance band. I'm trying to at least get to do, because I can't do one full pull-up.
Okay.
So you can just understand my strength from that sentence.
I mean, most people can't, to be fair.
Well, I don't want to be most people. I want to be strong. So I'm trying to...
I like that. I like that mindset.
I'm trying to work on it. I'm trying to, at least if I can get to like 1 today, I'm going to try every gym session, just do my pull-up practicing.
Good. SHA Trade asks Celine, what's your ethnicity? Celine is Australian, Balinese, Greek, Serbian, Vietnamese, South African, Chinese, and Somalian.
Somalian?
Yeah.
Wait, where did the Somalian come in there?
You don't remember?
That's crazy.
Come on now.
Did I say I was good at like running or something? I don't remember.
Shocking News says Nick stop. Nick stop what? Yeah, that's right, Marco Mario. Pull-ups do have technique as well, not just strength.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to do it properly. I'm starting with the resistance band. So like I put my feet into the band and then I'm like helping. It's like helping pull me up, so I can at least do one like that, assisted. But eventually, no resistance band, and I should just be able to pull myself up once. Then when I do it once, then I'm going to try for 2, then try for 3.
Nice.
Progress.
Ooh, we're at 1,248 likes. Let's go.
We're almost there.
Shocking news again, said Nick Stop. Nick Stop what? Mexican Dan says, Nick, please have my children. What? What? Oh my God. Drew trying to bulk. Nick, can you quickly go over your confluences for today's trade? Yeah, so we closed on the 5-minute chart. We closed above the 200 EMA. 2 nice candle closes, so I expect the 200 EMA from that point on to hold. I waited for price to come back in that region. Level that I really like is, or a zone that I really like is 570.5 down to 563.5. Waited until price got under that, entered my trade at 3 a.m. My entry was at 551.75, and I'm holding for 663. So a little over 100 points, 111.5 points. So
663 is full target for you?
663 and a quarter, yes.
Okay, nice.
Pratishit, stop spamming the chat, please. Thank you. I'll ban you for 5 minutes.
Frank says, I've been working out for 40 years and I still can't do more than a few pull-ups. You have to work on the back and shoulders.
What did you work out then, Frank? You never worked out back? No, Frank. If you worked out for 40 years and you can't do a pull-up, like what did you, seriously asking, like have you just never trained back? And
it's just like 40 years?
How do you work out for 40 years and you can't do a pull-up?
Make it make sense.
Yeah, Robinho says Frank must have legs like trunks then. I mean, probably Frank can like, I don't know, squat 300 kilos or something.
Well, don't tell me that. I don't want to be 40 years in and still not do a pull-up. I'm going to try to do at least this week, like be able to get to 1.
Isaac, I'm trading NQ, Nasdaq futures.
The fact is, Hannah can do multiple, so she's my competition.
Oh, Hannah the GOAT.
Yep. I'm competing with my sister here. If she can do pull-ups,
Hannah is the GOAT.
I can do pull-ups. That's my theory.
Let's fucking go.
He said, never trained for the proper technique. I also weigh 100 kilo different for a 60 to 80 kilo person.
That's true. Not an excuse, but it's true.
But let me tell you, being lighter doesn't make it any easier. I'm still cannot do 1 pull-up.
Yeah, I mean, you need the strength for it and you need the technique for it. Both. But then also keep in mind, most people who say they can do a pull-up, they can't really, as in it's not a proper pull-up. Like you see so many people in the gym literally doing this. Like,
no, I'm trying to get my chin up above.
Yeah, but chin up and then fully back down to like straight arms and then back up. That's an actual pull-up.
Oh, wait, I got to finish back. Hold on, what? I'm going.
Now, most people, when they do multiple pull-ups, they go with their chin above the bar. That's fine. But then they go down only like this far, and then they do it again, and they think they have done 2 pull-ups, which is not the case. Like you have to go above the bar, then you go down, almost fully straight arms, and then back up. That's an actual pull-up.
Well, I just got to get past the first one. Then I'll focus on my technique.
Yeah. Shocking news. What? How to participate? You're disqualified already, my friend.
All right, looks like we just got stopped on the last 2 there that I dragged my stop up a little bit. So we're still green after that trade, but I will look for a re-entry actually. Let's see. If it wants to keep dropping though, I'll leave that. But at least caught the longs to that high. I'm not actually really loving how we're leaving all these wicks behind. See at the previous 4-hour high level here. Yet another wick. It's a bit indecisive. I did like the hourly reaction here in the 1 hour bullish gap that we're rejecting out of. But then trading up to these highs again and then reacting in this 15-minute gap and struggling to get up above. It's a little annoying. Like it shouldn't be held up there. We should be trying to make the move now after consolidation. So gonna wait. Definitely not rushing into another long entry very soon. I'm gonna wait for more.
Shocking news that stop walking, Nick. No. Hey, we hit 1,300 likes. Let's go.
Holy shit. We just smashed a new record. Let's go.
Well done. Nice. That means we're going to give away 5 accounts. Now, if you want to participate in this massive 5-account giveaway, then all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you have done it before, you have to do it again. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. If you ask me how to participate in the giveaway, you're going to get disqualified as well. And here we go. Here's the form.
Let's go. That is so sick. I mean, tomorrow, you guys better bring the same energy. We could be smashing new records tomorrow again. It's huge.
Yep.
I remember when we were freaking out because we hit 1,000 likes. Now it's like 1.3 thousand likes. It's insane.
Yep, those likes are up. Those likes are up. Smashing the records.
Leia says, Nick, you need to smudge this all over the NY stream.
Oh, we will. Well, the problem is today I can't really. Today during the New York stream, I won't say.
It's just going to be too chaotic.
I won't say much. I'll just be there and trade, and the others can scream around.
Scream around.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me copy everybody over. Let's run 5 giveaways, meaning 5 different people get an account. Oh, the last one who made it in was Joe Mama.
Oh, Joe Mama's
the last
back.
one who made it in. Yeah, I am always quiet when they come on, Leia. I'll give them the spotlight.
It's hard not to.
Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. Winner number 105 is...
Here we go.
Winner number 105. Boom! V-Note. V-Note. Type something in the chat. Congrats, sir.
Congrats. Winner number 1.
Yep. We're gonna spin the wheel after for what you win. First, we're gonna pick 5 winners. Type something.
Oh, come on. Today is not the day to be missing out.
No, that would be bad. V-Note. Where you at?
Getting a heavy drop here. Thank you.
V-Note, sir. Hello.
Come on. V-Note.
You have 10 more seconds.
Damn, the first winner we're gonna have to reroll? Really?
Oh, V-Note.
No. Gone.
Oh,
That's
he's here. He made it just in time. He made it just in time. Okay, V-Note. We got you. Then second winner second winner is boom, Wizard NS. Wizard NS. Type something in the chat.
Seems like all the V usernames today, chat. Wizard. There he is.
Okay, Wizard NS. I got you.
Next is gonna be Vikash.
V. Vikash, yeah, maybe. Okay, let's see. Boom.
Vikash, this is all you. Come on. Who is it?
Boom. Nixter is live. Hey.
Nice.
Who's Nixter is live? Type something in the chat.
Okay, the V theory doesn't check out then.
Nope. Not anymore. Not anymore. Oh no, Vikash in the chat says, "Was that me?"
No.
Only if the V theory would have hold up. Okay, Nixter is live says, "Wow, congratulations, Nixter is live." That was the third winner. Now the fourth winner is giving away 5 giveaways because you guys smacked an absolute new record. 1,400 people watching, 1,300 likes. Risk First Jack, I like your name. Risk First Jack. Type something in the chat.
Let's go. How many? Is that the third? Fourth? No, fourth.
Fourth, that's a fourth. Risk First Jack. Chicken says, I feel like playing roulette and the ball falls off the table. Risk First Jack, where are you at?
Risk First.
3-bar reversal, yes, I did check if they only entered it once. Everybody so far only entered once. Risk First Jack, you have 20 seconds.
Oh, Andrea, imagine after you spin the wheel, she says it lands on Max Allo.
Oh, that would be crazy.
We probably should take that off for this.
No.
That's a bit.
No. We're gonna get fired. Let's go. Risk First Jack is here. Okay, that made it just in time. Just in time. Okay, that's our fourth winner.
Mm-hmm. One more.
Risk First Jack, and now we got the last one. Last winner of the 5-account giveaway.
Here we go.
Is bada bing bada bong. Financial Freedom D3M. Financial Freedom D3M. Type something in the chat. Financial Freedom. Where are you at? You have 30 seconds. Mexican Dan says 5 more, 13 more, fuck it. Financial Freedom, hello. Only 10 more seconds.
Damn, what are we gonna do?
Uh-oh.
This might be a reroll.
Might be. Okay, time is up, but I'll give you 10 more seconds because of the delay, the YouTube delay.
No.
And it's gone.
No.
It's gone. Removed. Next.
All right, who's it gonna be? That was
The
sad.
actual fifth winner. You're gonna be ready, guys, to claim your accounts. Come on now. Trader Mahi. Trader Mahi. Oh no, Financial Freedom type now. Oh,
No,
you missed it. You missed it. I'm sorry, Financial
Is he
Freedom.
not here? Like, guys,
You were too
be
late.
live on the stream.
You were too late. Trader Mahi, type something in the chat.
Not Financial Freedom, I guess. So I'll be
Rip.
rip.
Trader Mahi.
Trader Mahi. There he is. I'm here. Perfect.
Where?
That's 5 winners.
Oh, yeah. Got it. Got it. Now, let me just double check if this other person, Financial Freedom guy, typed before and we didn't see it. Financial Freedom.
No, because I feel like even then someone from the chat would have seen it and said, guys, he's here.
Just checking. Because some people say he was here. Just want to make sure.
Okay.
Financial Freedom, DCM, okay. That was the one that was too late. No, he wasn't here. Not on time. Not on time. Okay, now let's spin the wheel to see what you guys win. Ooh, this could get really big. This could get really big. Okay, the first spin is for V-Note. V-Note, you get...
Oh my goodness.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my gosh.
Shit. Oh,
is this for all 5?
Yeah, this is 5 150k select accounts.
No, but we're not going to give it away 5 max sellers right now.
No, that's just for V-Note. That's just
for V-Note. Okay, that's just for you, V-Note. Oh my gosh, that is a huge win. Congratulations, V-Note.
Yeah, big one.
Wow.
Okay. Well, I got to take Max Allo out of here. Sorry for the rest.
I told you that was going to hit. Damn it.
I got to take it out of here. All right. Of course it hit.
Holy.
Last stream GG says Wag. Okay, this one is for Wizard NS. Oh my god.
Lightning. Oh my god. 150k lightning.
Oh my god. Wizard
this is the biggest giveaway ever.
This is actually the biggest giveaway ever. Holy shit. Yeah, chat. This is my last stream. GG's. So Wizard NS, you get 150k lightning. Then Nixter is live. Let's see. Nixter is live. Gets, ooh, that was close. Gets a 50k lightning fund.
Still a lightning account.
Yep. And then we got the next one, which is Risk First Jack. Risk First Jack gets
the select.
So looks like 25k. Yeah,
nice.
25k select. Risk First Check. And then the last person, which was Trader Mahi. Trader Mahi, you get spinning for you.
Yeah, no one tells Vinny about this.
Yep, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm fired.
Oh wow. So
it's over.
Sorry.
Chat, it's over. It's
How
gone.
many thousands of dollars in accounts did we just give
gone.
you guys?
I'm GG's.
Damn. Well, I had nothing to do with this. Vinny asked.
Oh.
Hey, I said we better pull Max Allo out of there.
Yeah, now you know that the London stream is the best stream ever, okay? This is proof. This is proof.
A Max Allo being hit and then 2 lightning funded in the same giveaway. Crazy shit.
Oh my god. Well, all your winners, congratulations. Add your email addresses to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, because if it's not, we can't send you your account. And it takes up to 7 days to receive your account or accounts if you're V-Note. Yeah, big congrats. That was massive. But also, it was a massive stream. We had a new viewer record, 1,400 concurrent live viewers. We had 1,300 likes. So absolute massive stream. And with that being done, chat, put a big fat W in the chat. There's absolutely no reason to put an L in the chat right now. It has to be a W, because this was literally the biggest stream ever in terms of views during London, likes during London, and giveaways during London. So holy shit. Hope you all have an amazing day. We see you later at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York session stream. We're going to have Max and Lama on from BDM. And then Miriam is back too. So big stream today. And of course, tomorrow, 7 a.m. UK time for another London session stream. Celine, take us out of here.
Yes. Well, guys, again, W's in the chat. You guys absolutely crushed it today. Amazing stream. Let's hope everyone brings that NG tomorrow, London session. You guys know we're going to smash new records tomorrow, and let's say for every single day from here. Also, in terms of the charts, yes, NQ is starting to slow down here, a little bit choppy. We look like we're having the move up. Now we're significantly lower again. We're back inside this choppy range right now. Beware, there is obviously the CPI data coming out 8:30, and then there'll be 10 a.m. We've got Fed Chair Wash, who will be testifying at 10 a.m. So a lot of red folder news. It's going to be a chaotic New York AM session. Be careful, protect your accounts, protect the profits, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, 7 a.m. UK. Enjoy the day. Peace out.